It says OTP scam, fraud scam.
OTP scam, fraud scam.
Yes. Fraud spam. Sorry, OTP scam, fraud spam.
So some chutiya, some fucking
Some चूतिया is a
Stupid
different guy.
loser.
उसका भी कभी कॉल आता है, लिखा आता है some चूतिया.
some chutiya.
ट्रू कॉलर पे बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें दिखती है. I've also seen insurance का भाग भोसड़ा once as a true caller ID. So yeah,
That's interesting. It would be fun to just have one of those, basically just create false names for your friends and spam Truecaller with that shit. Somebody if she's calling someone
Rishabh Gupta.
Ullu ka bhatta.
Look at it. वो तो उन्होंने वैसे ही सेव कर रखा है.
No, they are much worse. I've just made PG-13 so that Truecaller accepts it. The filter,
because we're all about PG-13.
Filter, no, I'm talking about the filter not blocking it.
Oh.
Truecaller कौन यूज करता है भाई?
भोसड़ी की अगर किसी ने डाल दी तो है ना. So I don't know. I feel like Truecaller might just filter some of these things out. Ki भोसड़ी के, but I guess
No, it doesn't. It doesn't.
it doesn't.
Not at all.
You're
There's no filter.
well aware.
I've got a call from fuck.
Some fuck.
F-U-C-K, fuck. That's it.
I mean, I guess there's. How can you even put a filtration list on proper names?
You can't.
We do have a town named Bhosadi, is it not? Don't we? It's very
Yeah.
famous. Everyone likes to. Oh,
They're like,
एक जगह का नाम भोसड़ी भी है,
there'll
guys.
be some purists who like, no, guys, it's Bond-C and some shit.
They're purists.
Yeah, apparently
Wow.
Bhosadi
There are
purists.
Bhosadi purists.
There are Bhosadi.
Sign me up, man. I like a nice pure veg.
Wow.
Swastik. Satvik.
Those are all boys. Okay. Okay.
And their Bhosadi is pure.
Okay.
Untouched. Unadulterated.
Well. So I just touched some myself.
You touched Bhosadi yourself.
Yes.
Okay,
I
nice.
was just with
What does भोसड़ी mean?
I think
Vagina.
I feel like it's pussy, right?
vagina, yes.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Ignorant Bhosadi वाला, इसका true caller.
तुझे नहीं सिखाया था स्कूल में चौथी कक्षा से पहले
नहीं,
गालियों के लेसन में कि
इसको लौड़े भी
क्या
चस्का आ
बोलते
गया, आगे नहीं बढ़ा लौड़ों से.
हाँ,
He's like, हाँ, उसी पे
इतनी
focus
लंड
कर
लिया अच्छा लंड खुद के पास भी है दूसरों के पास भी है परफेक्ट
हाँ.
लंड टट्टे एस
मुझे ये वाला चलाना आता
हाँ
है.
मेरे को व्हाई शुड आई बॉदर
Yeah.
टू फिगर आउट समवन एल्सेस
You know, once you learn stick shift, you don't go
Right.
the other way. Yeah.
यू डोंट राइट
Yeah.
This idiot.
6 speed 8 speed what is it
मुझे 8 बजे मिल रहा था ना आज. This guy is telling me.
हम सबको भोज
मतलब मैंने बोला था
Yeah,
कि
because
please
you
8
had
बजे कर दो.
yes yeah because you had something at 7
I had this date, right?
yeah
I was gonna go home.
And his dates last fucking 12 hours.
No, so I was gonna go.
not all of them
No, not this one. I was gonna. This is just sex. I was just gonna go home, and we broke the mirror, by the way, in the bathroom. I have a picture.
you broke the mirror while fucking
Yes.
I guess she was leaning up against
On
it
the
and like
bathroom
yeah
counter. Yeah. That
She,
was the
you
whole
were
thing.
leaning up against it while she was fucking in the ass
Sure.
while she was pegging you you applied too much force
We went to reception.
went to-
Tried to play the woman card.
uh-huh
Okay, didn't work. The guy's like.
this is in a hotel
Yes.
you got to specify
Yeah.
I'm
Yes,
assuming-
yes. Of course.
yeah the fucking I have no details I'm left to deductive reasoning luckily I'm a smart man luckily there's one of us
Here, deduce this.
that's a large mirror it's not even like like a fucking wall mirror yeah good shit man
Nice.
That tracks.
Was fun.
yeah
Yeah. And wait, I turned the lights off and everything at that
but you
point
probably
and-
would have to still pay damages for that no
Yes, we did.
okay right so play the woman card I don't get it
Do not pay damages.
oh, you tried you gotta give it a shot
You gotta
gotta-
hustle, man.
yeah,
You gotta-
exactly, yeah.
Listen,
Yeah.
because what if it
you gotta
works?
try it yeah
What if it works? Yeah.
सचिन यहाँ पे रख दो मैं अभी निखिल को बुला रहा हूँ आपको पैसे देगा ठीक है
अभी सवाल कर रहे रास्ते में.
हैं
Sorry, cricket joke.
yes
Who
you
won?
made the same by the way you made the same fucking joke last time Sachin showed up
Really?
with bottles of wine yeah
But there's such an inseparable duo.
right
So I mean, you gotta.
Yeah.
You gotta. Sachin के साथ what are you gonna do? Rohit Sharma? No, fuck off. Hardik Pandya? You gotta say Sehwag.
there's only one Sachin in the world so you must make that joke
Yes, you must.
you
Sehwag
must
it.
He's literally
I don't know any others. I've never met another.
There's only
gentleman.
one Sachin
But
that I know.
but exactly
I've never met another in my life. I haven't even met this gentleman who's standing on the back on the right. Yes. Yeah.
that's good shit bro
Or that 5'3"
that's
cricket
pretty
god.
fucking good shit
Or that shoddy.
who's that
Tendulkar.
oh right
He's 5'3".
I mean, he looks like.
There's no way he's
Tall
5'3".
Yeah, he must be 5'2".
He's probably like 5'6", 5'7".
Oh, sorry, he's a tall man. My bad.
How is that tall? But he's
Yes.
not like a midget, dude.
You know what they say? Like, the ability to recognize sarcasm is a marker of intelligence. Enough
Correct.
said. Apostrophe enough said.
Abbreviations also intelligent.
निखिल यार ऊपर ना आजा मुझसे उसको पैसे ले ले कुछ पेमेंट नहीं ओके सारी डटियां अधीरी ये चमक Hugmaga. Yeah, I don't know. By the way, I've never heard the original song. It's only fucking his hello tune.
He's the original.
And what is
I
up
mean,
with the
even I? Yes.
pardon my French, the working class and their love for hello tunes. Literally, no one who's past college has it. है ना? है ना?
Like you too.
Hello tunes?
I think never had
Not
it.
past
बचपन में
college.
दस
Whatever,
पंद्रह
gone
रुपए
to
महीने
college.
लगते थे भाई
Even
बात
even
है।
gone to college. Whoever, I think, right?
Or-
I feel
yeah.
It's the exclusive domain of the working class. When you call them and they have some shitty, it's always some garbage romantic song. It's not even a hit. It's some obscure BS, soppy. Fuck. मैं तो एक तो
Back in the day, I heard.
should I
Birthday
just
disco a
should I
lot.
call my electrician just?
You're too judgmental, man. Sometimes
so-
you can just enjoy it.
Ah, well, sorry.
Sometimes,
please,
but it doesn't play
talking-
sometimes. It plays every time.
Talking to the audience that actually listens to this shit. Sorry, my bad.
You're gonna get love comments from it anyway. Thank
Lo-
you for mentioning me.
Love comments.
Yes.
Nahi. Yeah, the thing is, our content is too much. There's too much English going on for him to watch.
I've actually received that feedback. Yes.
हाँ बट तो फिर हम बना थोड़ा ना रहे हैं उन लोग को अगर बना रहे होते तो फिर तो हम वो क्या बोलते who's that guy पुनीत सुपरस्टार
वो तो legend है.
I'd just be flipping Maggie in my face and losing it
Yeah.
having a fucking what is it called Tourette's it's
Yes,
almost like
I guess.
Tourette's but I feel like so that kind of comedy is what Jackass used to be to a certain extent
Right. Therefore, the
just
term-
shock physical retardation hi it's Jackass and today Bam Margera
Yes.
hello it's Jackass
Puneet is a jackass. I agree.
hello it's Jackass and today I'm stuffing Loki in my ass
I think that belongs on a different website.
Yes, I was just about to. Yes.
oh
It's on the jackass category of brazzers.
Mm. Fag ass. For the Loki. Hi, it's fag ass.
Hi guys, it's Fag guys.
You say it fast enough,
Yeah.
and no one's gonna catch you. You know,
I'm like, oh yeah.
it's like. Well, I'm not actually. I can't do that one. I can't do on the pod. There's this one thing that I do it really fast, and I think he's heard it, but he might not. He's not gonna remember what I'm talking about. But I won't do it on the pod because I
You won't shove a Loki up your ass.
want to stay alive.
No,
Nahi.
that he'll do.
That's not what I'm talking about.
Chip down the throat, Loki up the butt. It's
वो जो
all
मैं
in a
करता हूँ
day's
ना,
work.
I'm sure you remember like the one that I do where I say Allah and then I have a different word.
Yes,
I can't do that.
Yes,
Cannot
yes.
do it.
No, cannot.
I will die.
Yes.
Or my dad will die. Someone in my family, 3 generations down, if anyone's up,
I'll only have to be the hitman.
will
bro.
die.
Speaking of which, that's
Like, how can you
Yeah, by the way,
tolerate?
also, yeah, you would also be.
How can you tolerate? So it's like, oh shit.
But even like, and you just gotta say, there are no holy cows on this podcast.
Dude,
It's
if
a
I'm
comedy.
not-
But people in our family are gonna catch this shit because as of last night, my mom has discovered my Instagram account, the public one. At 4 a.m., I'm getting notification. She's liked 7 of my reels. It's only a matter of time before she reads my bio and sees impropaganda there and goes there, and then
Who cares, man? What do you?
maje hi maje.
Why do you care so much?
No, none of us
It's your
care. So
mother.
when my mom discovers it, then we'll come to your house. We'll show your mom also the reels.
Yeah, you can.
Cool,
You think my
done.
mom's gonna give a fuck?
Done.
She couldn't care less, bro.
Hmm. Yeah, same.
Cool.
No, my parents have asked, and I've always said, "Listen, it's too crass. Not for you. Don't watch it. That's it."
हाँ,
It's the end of
but
the conversation typically. They're like, fine.
वो तो
My
हमारे-
parents are more
Bro,
crass than I
उन्होंने-
am, dude.
By the way, उन्होंने अभी तक कट्टा है गोलू नहीं देखी जो शॉर्ट फिल्म मैंने बनाई थी तो क्या देखेंगे ये तो शॉर्ट फिल्म के पास टाइम नहीं है तो बैठ के तेरे को लगता है वो 1.5 घंटे का पॉडकास्ट देखेंगे 30 मिनट की शॉर्ट फिल्म का टाइम नहीं है उनके पास
बट हम जो शॉर्ट फिल्में काटते हैं ना पॉडकास्ट से कभी कभी वही काफी होते हैं
राइट द रील्स नो बट या
तो वो
राइट फाइन बट लाइक the parents
chances तो है
they're just not on Instagram bro for the reels to really
parents should the Instagram should have like an age limit like not the नीचे वाला not कि 12-13 the 50 से ऊपर or something cut off like उसके ऊपर होना ही नहीं चाहिए you should be allowed
Yeah.
If you have 2 kids,
I
sorry,
think you
you're
guys
banned.
need to stop being ashamed of shit.
No, we
who's
just
doing
have
this?
Punjabi
I'm not even.
parents who will might. अरे थोड़ा सा यार-
No. I've already had one of these situations. When I cussed out my whole family for being lawyers. So, because
Yes.
I have my Jiju and I have my Didi and my Bua and all on the Instagram. उसमें से बटुए में से 4200 दे दे सचिन को. ठीक है? So, what's his face? Yeah, and then my Bua was like, "Oh, this is not good. You're cussing." I'm like, dude, it's comedy. It's a joke. It literally, you literally say in that reel, good joke, and it's a comedy podcast. So I was like, just because you don't get it, doesn't mean it's supposed to be offensive, and I don't mean it, of course. So shut up. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I told them to fucking eat it, bro. Eat my ass. Like Taylor Swift. Like I asked.
Taylor Swift has done that.
No.
She's
Oh,
doing
I request.
everything,
Like I asked her to eat my ass.
Yeah.
It's the same. I did. Well, I asked them
You
to eat
asked
it.
her. I thought you'd demand, but okay, sure. You're asking. That's polite.
So she's a good Southern lass. I think she'd be okay with being demanded as well,
That's the whole idea.
right?
Taylor Swift's all about that meninism.
Right. और क्या चल रहा है?
बस क्रिकेट चल रहा है, फुटबॉल चल रहा है.
Boo, boring.
नहीं मजे आ रहे हैं फुटबॉल में. जैसे big countries are losing against loser countries.
Oh, like the Euros is going on.
Yes,
Is it not?
Euros, and as of last night, Copa America also started.
Copa America.
Copa America. So the two American continents continental competition, which means South America. So Brazilian countries plus America and the US and Mexico.
Brazilian country.
So what is the
हाँ वही Uruguay.
how do you
Spanish speaking
Not
Brazilian
Portugal.
countries.
नहीं Portuguese भी बोलते हैं. Don't be ignorant. ठीक है. Fucking
how
Chile.
how do you determine who's leading the Topa Championship? What is the test? I mean, how much was
Obviously
cut off?
they.
Hold on for a second.
You all got to pull your dicks out, and
The
one by
Topa-
one they flick like really hard,
Oh.
and see who can really just withstand it. You see, like the sensitivity thing.
Is the Topa now? It's the dickhead, is it?
Yes,
Oh, interesting.
Topa America.
Topa America.
Messi खेलता है
Because
उसमें.
I actually thought because Topa is a cap, lid, ढक्कन ऐसे कुछ. तो मेरे को लगा कि Topa is probably the foreskin that's circumcised away. I always used to think that.
Are you being serious?
This is literally what I thought.
So
Because
Topa is the dickhead.
my question was going to be right now कि
Topa is not dickhead, dude.
हाँ
What
तो
the
मेरे को
fuck?
नहीं पता था. मेरे को
हाँ.
Topa is
What's
like
that?
on your head. You put a topi like a topa.
हाँ तो तभी तो मैं पूछ
So
रहा हूँ.
तेरा टोपा नहीं है. You are topaless.
So Topa is a dickhead only then.
No.
अबे
he's talking
slang में
about the-
बोलते हैं उसको टोपा ही बोलते हैं bro.
That's what I'm saying, but he's
हाँ.
saying what I understand from what he's saying, it would equate to the foreskin that covers
नहीं.
that part.
No,
Full
dude.
42 है.
A cap.
उसको मैं बात कर रहा हूँ उससे.
Okay.
रेड कलर बता रहा है वो.
लंड के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, लौड़े के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में
Yeah, you guys figure it out. I don't give a fuck.
टोपा क्या है?
I don't care.
I think he doesn't have one. So either it's a dickhead or it's the foreskin that's covering.
Don't give a fuck, bro.
What do you care about? The India-Australia match tonight? You stupid bastard.
Australia's out, bro.
I know.
So how can there be an Indian-Australia match?
What
tonight?
what match was tonight?
England or India?
England India. हाँ भाई.
कल है but.
Yeah, I know. पहले तो प्रीपोन कराया मेरे को भगाया.
Dude, who cares, man?
I do. I
You're doing
literally.
nothing worth anything anyway. You're just
Well,
having sex
I
with some
do.
random girl.
I do. I've got work to do.
Yes, I also do.
So fine, we can not stop it and do it some other time. I don't care to be here anyway.
अच्छा ठीक है. तुम बताया कर यार कौन बुलाता है तेरे को?
ठीक है.
हम तो नहीं बुलाते.
So guys, episode 25.
The last one.
Big fun time. Last one. Quit while we're ahead.
Just not in the mood, guys.
क्यों भाई?
क्या बताऊंगा तुम्हें?
वही कि तू मूड में क्यों नहीं है? वही बता.
नहीं बताना.
Boo, boring.
Yeah. So
I've been tripping over Biggie lyrics of late.
Biggie. Nice.
You know, the notorious. He's supposed to be a gangster. So
He's just a fat ass. I mean, who is a god? But
I'm pretty sure he did probably rob and murder and do all of that
yeah,
shit.
as you do,
know.
you must do imprisonable offenses in order to like
to be a
spit
Negro.
bars. Yeah.
To be a real.
Okay,
oh,
sure.
sorry.
I
What?
don't think he did.
To
I think he was too fat to
be
do
a
any
real black
crime.
guy.
Seems like a well, being too fat beyond a certain level is criminal in its own way, I suppose.
Yeah.
They literally got the song saying, "Give me the loot."
So arrest Sukrit.
Yeah.
For what?
Wow. It's buzzing. Fucking. तेरे को मोटा बोला
Being a
इसने।
fatty is a crime.
तेरे को मोटा बोला
हाँ
इसने।
तो मैं तो हूँ. It is what it is, bro.
Anyway.
So, why do you choose to look like the bug from the Bugs movie? What's up with that?
I can take it off. I don't care.
Okay. Now
Sucking
let's-
on my mother's chest
Wow.
is one of the lines.
Wow.
Chest?
Yes.
Is that a dad? Is that a dude?
Sucking on my mother's chest.
Mother's chest.
तो mother तो it's not ambiguous.
But chest? I have a bone to pick with the word chest.
You think his mother is one
Chalo,
of...
okay, that's
Maybe
a-
mother is one of his homies. Yo, mother, what's up?
That's fine.
Oh,
You look so
sorry.
good at suck on your daddy's dick. Now that's gay as fuck.
That is gay as fuck.
That's
Man
pretty
is
fucking-
progressive. That's cool.
Because the name of my song
What
is
is this? Where are you
the
getting
name of
these
my
kind
song is
Biggie
Me and My
lyrics.
Bitch. No, I've been listening and I've been taking notes.
It's a Biggie's
These are Biggie lyrics.
Yes, the name of the song is Me.
Wait,
Me
he
and My-
said he said
You look so good at suck on your daddy's dick. Hold on.
no way he said
I'll
that.
make you listen to it.
There is no way he said
I'll make
that.
you listen to it.
There's no way he said that.
I'll make you listen to the song, man.
Bro, this is some fake parody. Why would he say that?
it's
You
literally.
look so good, I would suck on your daddy's dick.
Glad you said it.
Yo, would you kill for me?
I can't hear anything. Acha.
Yeah. Looks like you someone else, motherfucker. Fuck wrong with you, bitch.
When I met you, I admit my first thoughts was a trick. You look so good, huh? I suck on your daddy's dick.
It's literally the second line of the song, man.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me and my bitch. Sucking on daddy's
Dick.
dick.
Nice.
Maybe it's from
The notorious GAY. That's what it is.
See, you see, yeah, because they're all, bro. Again, you gotta realize and remember where they all come from. They're all crazy about the hood. So,
Uh-huh. That's nuts.
Oh, okay.
that nuts are right under actually.
I think it's a reference to somebody
Someone's
else.
father's dick.
No, somebody else said this. Apparently.
On the Biggie track.
No.
Sure, but
As
he
in somebody
means-
else said it in media, and
You look so good at sucking on daddy's dick.
yeah, I think a comedian said it.
Interesting.
Richard Pryor
Oh,
Richard
interesting.
Pryor, nice.
said it
Right on.
in some set of his, some comedic set. Because I was going to say, because people would have tore him a new one, bro, for saying something like that.
Sort of a new one, yeah.
So I guess it's a reference to Richard Pryor's set.
Well, that makes sense.
The new one is where he could have put daddy's dick. Then after
Yeah, but
that,
Richard Pryor, famously is also, would fuck dudes and bitches. Yeah. He's like a Marlon Brando. Just buck wild having fun, like Tom Hardy.
Yeah. So it might have probably been a big thing when Richard said it. So that's why he added it to his song.
Yeah.
Tom Hardy's also bisexual.
Tom Hardy has famously said in an interview, dude, one of these nights you just wake up and you're sitting, you're drunk as fuck or on drugs and you wake up next to dudes. It's just what it is. He's just famously.
Tom Hardy's a
Tom-
wild one. bro.
Tom Hardy he's just partying. He's not even like bisexual. He's just having,
तूने वो
having a good time. He's just
Did
having
you
a
watch-
good time.
Did you watch that biker film?
Yes.
Yes.
कैसी लगी देखने?
Bike
Mediocre.
You
It's
also
a-
watched
you
it?
can skip it.
It's a decent.
Don't
one-time
tell me
watch.
too much, but
No,
yeah.
I'm literally saying it's a decent one-time watch.
But
But it's not even worth
but
watching.
will I like it considering I like bikes and stuff?
You would like it.
Sure, I mean, if you like, for the aesthetics, I guess you would like it.
For the bikes.
It's not so bike-centric actually.
But do they have nice bikes?
Yes.
Yeah, it's more about the scene than it is about the bikes.
Yeah, but I'll just be focused on the bikes, bro. I don't give a
It's
fuck
about like
the
ye
scene.
gang look.
Gang. It's a
It's essentially they brought in the biker personality to reduce the nuance in what a
What
general
kind of
gang
bikes?
movie or whatever would
what
have.
kind of bikes are we talking here?
Why?
A bike with two wheels?
Hari Dhawan sir,
Two
क्या-
wheels
नहीं,
and
like
like steel.
chopper Sons of Anarchy style.
Fuck do I know?
तो सिनेमा जाके देख ले.
Yeah.
It's and
Like
then-
a Vespa where they have handles and
That's
like.
a scooter, bro.
Oh, my bad. अबे Avon की आती थी ना bike?
किसकी?
Avon bicycle?
I don't know.
That but with an engine.
So they're like naked bikes. You're not trying to explain anything.
Buddy,
It's the
I
same
don't-
words
I
that don't
don't
mean anything.
naked bikes.
Exactly. Yeah, naked bikes. Yeah. That's what that is. I have no clue, man.
वो ऐसे बैठते हैं क्या? ऐसे मतलब वो ऊपर वाले
नहीं
handle-
नॉर्मल यार बजाज जैसी फील देती है ठीक है तू रहने दे
हाँ
TVS
TVS Apache
हाँ
TVS Apache R
they're like Apache R.
where I'm pulling names off of advertisements that I've seen as a kid and I have no clue what the fuck the bikes mean because I
Apache
don't
तो आज भी मिलती है.
they ass bro.
And you all just too pussy to ride a bike. That's all it is.
Yeah, that's
You're
what
a
it is.
pussy to go
That's
watch some
that's
movie.
by the way, that's exactly what it is.
I'm planning to go.
yeah pussy's plan
Benches, you're too pussy to fucking buy a bike. You've been talking about it for the past year.
No, dude, it's because my
you're-
mom is always like,
Oh,
bro,
so you're such a
Oh,
fucking
such a
big
big
man.
man.
You're such
There
a
we
big
go.
dude that you care about what your mom
Oh.
thinks.
you're all pussies I
Oh,
just
we're
don't ride
pussy.
bikes because my
Yeah,
mom
I just
gets
listen to my
scared
mummy.
no, but she
But I have
emotionally
to go,
blackmails
I have
me.
to go
यार.
home and sleep in her lap, so then she's gonna give me a slap.
She's like, तुम मर जाओगे तो
That
मेरा क्या
rhymes.
होगा?
Yeah, you're a big man. Sorry.
वही होगा जो जीते
We stand. I stand corrected.
What क्या होगा?
लाइफ चलती रहेगी
चलती रहेगी.
चलती रहेगी
हाँ ठीक है.
तेरे बाइक के माइलेज की तरह
I don't know. It affects me, so I don't get it.
Good, yeah. Hence,
You're
proven
very-
that we're pussies and you're the big man.
Yeah, dude, I'm a mama's boy. It's not something I'm
I'm a
ashamed
big
of.
time mama's boy
I also
but
love
I
my-
ain't
I love my mother.
No-
I don't know if I'm
nothing.
a mama's boy, but I love my mother.
Nothing to be ashamed of.
No, I'm just saying, when you're calling us two pussies ride a bike and you...
Because that's something you wouldn't ride.
No,
Would
I
you
just-
ride a bike?
I would ride a bike. I'm just not interested. It's not for me, you know. But I would do it like if you go to a track or something. Like I can do that.
You don't even know how to though.
हाँ तो I'll learn ना. But
I
I've
have
just
a,
never
I have a
bothered. 'cause,
bike
like,
license
I can
that
teach you.
I do. By the way, the aesthetics are also not for me. It's just not for me.
Yeah, I can teach you. For you, you would need a chopper
Mm,
style bike,
mm. Maybe
it's like some of the machines at
like the
gym.
Harley style.
none of them
I need
are
that.
appealing.
That's cool. I can go for that
Go for it.
They're not appealing to me.
My dad used to ride bikes, so
Mm.
that's why I think it's cool.
Mm.
right on
Yeah.
Gay, boring.
speaking of
Gay, boring shit.
yes
How's your sex life going?
actually pretty excited
Gay and boring.
hello you guys I'm doing pretty okay actually
Yeah, it's actually he's the gay and the boring bit. He's gay. I'm boring. You're having a good time.
I'm doing terribly.
really
Yeah.
is that why you're off today
No, I've been off for weeks, bro.
oh where have I been
Who's gonna tell you fucking losers, bro?
you only
Nay, I won't. Why
We're
would I
good.
give a fuck?
We're good also. Thanks.
नहीं मैं सुन सकता हूँ
Keep it to yourself.
I'm not telling you.
no you don't have to मैं मर भी नहीं रहा सुनने के लिए
हाँ.
ऐसे तेरा
बता
दोस्त मैं
भी
सुन
नहीं
सकता हूँ
हमने बस ऐसे courtesy के लिए पूछ लिया कि podcast पे लगेगा लोग को rude है. We don't want to shun our new audience, newly developed audience. कि पूछा भी नहीं भाई से. हाँ.
but as he's going through a rough patch so is one of his idols
rहा. Who?
Neymar
What's happening to
वही तेरे-
Neymar?
वही जो कोपा अमेरिका चल रहा है
So he's
उसमें-
not
so
playing.
Brazil is playing shit. No, because once again Neymar is injured for the duration of a major tournament. Just as every World Cup he's injured.
Yeah.
I doubt he's fucking played enough.
He only उसको तभी चलता है जब उसको लीग गेम्स खेलनी
So they
होती
lost.
है.
They drew to Chile last night. Very underwhelming. 0-0. Terrible. Neymar sitting in the stand. शक्लें बना रहा है कि बहन जो खेलते नहीं है.
Dude,
वो
he's
खुद-
the best player and he's not
injured.
playing.
No, the best player is Vinicius, who is gonna get the Ballon d'Or this year. I think also Real Madrid.
He's
ka.
Brazilian.
And Neymar, instead, he came in an interview yesterday and he said Vinicius is the ugliest player I've ever played with. He said-
शक्ल दिखा.
He said, Neymar said, funny guy, but I've never played with anybody uglier. Funny but about his
He's
teammates.
the most
His
vain
international
motherfucker
teammates.
ever, though. That's why I like him.
Google him, Vinicius.
Wait, he's not that ugly. He just looks regular.
Neymar calls Vinicius the ugly player he's ever played with. Funny but ugly. I've made a
He's
note
the-
of
he
this.
just looks regular. He's not that ugly, though.
Tell Neymar.
He looks regular as fuck, bro.
Yeah. Handsome Neymar sitting on the sidelines. Go to his Google images. Don't look at somebody's Wikipedia ever. They'll always put decent picture. Go to images.
I don't care enough to do that.
You're a bit bipolar today, Kanye.
What bipolar?
I don't care. Suddenly, मैं देखता हूँ इसे शक्ल दिखा. I don't care. It's
I don't
like,
care
look at
enough.
other pictures.
I don't care enough to look at other pictures. I saw a picture of him, so I know what he looks like now.
Anyway,
I have an idea.
Neymar has a different idea.
Yeah.
Arvind Kejriwal withdraws plea from Supreme Court against HC's interim stay on bail order.
Withdraws appeal.
Yes.
What the fuck? Why?
Because he's probably gonna lose like a little bitch. I don't know.
He's like bade level.
Don't know why.
I don't know. Maybe some
WikiLeaks founder Assange returns to Australia free, man.
Yeah, he got a plea
He
deal.
got a plea deal in the US.
That's pretty good for journalists, I guess.
Yeah, you just sack him up for 15 years and then leave
Yeah,
him.
just
that's
fuck
pretty-
up his life.
Gives a
That's
lot of
pretty
confidence to
I
what's
mean,
his face.
it's not as bad as
What are
Khashoggi.
they called? What are they
So, you
called,
know?
bro?
Yeah, but I
Whistleblowers.
mean, पूरी जिंदगी तो नहीं बिताई उसने at least.
Yeah, at least Khashoggi की तरह उसके टुकड़े टुकड़े काट के सूटकेस में तो नहीं डाल दिया.
Julian Assange को jail कर
Yeah.
दिया.
Yeah.
Fucking like for 15 years he, I don't know what kind of mental damage the guy took. The other guy, Bradley Manning, you put him in jail. He turned out into a trans woman. Came out Chelsea. These people, they do a number on these whistleblowers. What the American state?
Yeah.
Khashoggi doesn't come out.
You speak out against Khashoggi, fucking. But that was the US.
Asa-
Well, he was some pro-democracy, some shit or something.
No, Khashoggi was
Saudi के
Saudi.
खिलाफ.
Uh-huh, but he
Turkish
was-
embassy में उसका
Right,
turkey
right.
बना दे Thanksgiving.
But he was
पे.
also pro-democracy something, na, against Saudi Arabia. Which fuck that shit, bro. MBS rocks.
MBS rocks.
Yeah.
मेरी फैमिली तो सारी सऊदी से भाग आई.
Huh.
MBS rocks.
MBS only rocks for when it comes to like sponsoring these fucking UFC events and shit.
But that's also because,
Yeah.
yes, I mean, in Saudi Arabia, like Indians are not treated well. You know, if you're Arab, then you're fine.
Indians are not treated well in all
In
of
the Gulf,
Arabia.
Yes.
No,
in all the
exactly.
In
Gulf.
the, in the Gulf.
You are a second-class citizen.
Exactly.
For
yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
You know Arab.
It's got nothing
But
to do
it's
with
the
Islam.
Indians,
Ana Arabi,
Pakistanis,
Ana
just
Arabi, Ana
desi
Arabi,
people
Arabi.
in general.
Yeah.
And they like, Europeans typically. But we don't like them.
Who?
Arab people.
Said who? We like Arabs.
If they don't like us, then I don't like
Rich
them.
Indian people like Arabs.
That's
I don't like them.
Exactly. We like them, bro. There's nothing wrong.
Well, they don't like you, bro. They think you're a slave.
Not.
No,
well,
it depends. They don't like the Indian Muslims so much.
Yes, Sunni Muslims they don't like.
Some of
Yeah, they don't
my
like
dad's
Indians.
bestest,
Indian Muslims
my
they don't
dad's
like, yeah.
bestest friends
Yeah.
in the world are all Arabs because he grew up in that part of the world, this that whatever schooling, but they're all
And by the way,
उसमें कुछ
Sikhs
तो नहीं है.
famously in the UAE, the first non-Islamic temple was a Gurdwara that was allowed.
Yeah.
Sikhs are very well respected
Yeah.
in the UAE at the very least. I don't know about Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is more of a what is it?
Yeah, I don't think you can make a Gurdwara in Saudi.
No, it's a theocracy also. It's not just a. Is it a monarchy only or is it a theocracy also? But it is an Islamic theocracy to a certain extent.
I don't know why I think there is some other religion place of worship that has officially come up in Saudi Arabia.
Saudi
also.
Arabia also.
I feel like that's happened
Nice.
also. MBS
That's pretty cool.
is more secular that way. for
Buddhism.
sure. Maybe I don't know. शायद मंदिर ही है. I'm not sure.
Mandir?
I
Ay haye, kiska?
maybe मंदिर नहीं होगा. But one of the
I mean, make it like Shiv or something, like a big dick, like that's fun.
yeah, but then Black Rock versus Black Rock, who will win? वो नहीं कराना उन्होंने.
Why not? Face off.
So.
It's the fight of the century. It's the fight of civilizations.
Well, that's not a face. It's more like Topa America.
हाँ
But
but एक से पानी और निकलता है naturally कभी-कभी कुछ जगह है ना कुछ glaciers turn into a penis.
yes,
Don't
I
they?
believe
There
that
are
is
some glaciers
Yes,
that turn
I
into
believe that is a
penis.
natural. Yes.
And apparently- that's I mean,
Barfi Land.
यार मैं तो बताता हूँ just for the diversity, just for the sheer variety. Variety is the spice of life. Hinduism is so cool. It's so much fun. Every place you go, there's something else going on. It's fresh.
Always.
You never get the same deal, buddy.
No.
You go to a church, it's the same thaka beta.
One cross,
my
one
father has
latka
sinned.
Jesus,
Oh,
one,
I've said, yeah.
one candle,
Say-
mombatti,
say 20 Hail Marys,
one
yeah.
priest who you're figuring out ये बच्चों को
Boo!
छूता है, बच्चों को नहीं छूता, क्या सीन है इसका?
Boo!
yeah.
Oh, I sent, your father sent, everyone, daddy sent. Bitch.
गोवा जाओ तो जीसस बोलते
Get
हैं.
the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gurdwara also, as much as I love the
Christianity
atmosphere,
is
it's the
actually,
same.
yeah. Christianity, out of the big three monotheistic faiths, I think Christianity is the worst.
Worst? Why?
Huh?
Why worst?
Because it's just so focused on guilt.
And Islam is the best.
Oh, you are a sinner. You do this. You sin that. Sin this.
The
sin
original sin.
The original
That's what we are being blamed.
That's a
for.
sex movie, no?
No, the original sin was.
The original sin is this Eve eating the apple.
Yeah.
Sure.
And so because all humans come from Eve, so we're all sinners.
Yes.
Yes. Boo.
Yeah.
Boo.
Boobies.
No, and actually, so one of the reasons also is there was this analysis on Western versus Eastern civilizations, and Eastern civilizations are, progress or inner development is a function of shame in society, as opposed to basically you want to rise to a
As
higher
opposed to
standard.
pride.
No, shut up. Shame in society, as a you don't want to do something that brings shame on you. You want to be an honorable person, as opposed to in Western society primarily now, because they are Judeo-Christian, it's guilt based. Where you want to assuage your own guilt. You just want to be good. You want to be naturally good, which boo.
I shall bring honor to the family. Said every guy in Japan or whatever,
I'll link in the show notes the book that was summarized in the article that I read.
Okay. Farticle. Sounds like a load of air.
Nice.
Smells weird too. Or was that one of you?
It's the pussy juice all over your fucking chest.
Oh yeah, okay. That makes sense. Yeah. Right. Moving on.
Is this the same girl?
This is the girl in Gurgaon.
It's a different girl.
No,
Yes.
there's been two girls. So of course, it's not the
2.5. But the other one is
2.5.
2.5.
Half one is the past one, no?
Ha.
That's the half.
Ha.
Yeah.
And so you have 3 girls.
Delhi,
that
Gurgaon,
you're
Noida.
that you're seeing
Delhi,
at the
Gurgaon,
same
Noida.
time.
Yes.
Wow.
Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida. It's great.
Right.
Geographically.
Perfectly, yeah. Next you got to do later on into UP, कुछ हरियाणा में फिर कोई
Sona Road जाके
कोई
scout
मेरठ
करना
वगैरह
है.
पकड़ ले.
अच्छा.
By the way, North Delhi is its own thing. Old Delhi, you gotta have an Old Delhi, bro. You
North
gotta have a
Delhi,
new.
North
You
Delhi
got a
is-
New Delhi lass. You gotta have an Old Delhi lass.
I think West Delhi first.
I feel like West Delhi first.
North Delhi is like.
West
Jesus
Delhi.
Christ.
'cause
I mean, there are half of them are my kin somehow. But please, West Delhi
Perfect.
is so.
That's another
is-
kink.
Is ass.
Resolved.
Oh my God, the West Delhi aesthetic. By the way, West Delhi girls now they'll look like a piece and then they'll open their mouth
That's-
and then they open their mouth.
That's what. Because
Hey, some people are into that, man.
You sort of have.
Yeah. I like thoda kamar. I like.
So you understand why I said West Delhi first. Come on.
Little
Before
bit kamar is cool.
North Delhi ulta padaku hai. Sorry, Duke ke best colleges. Bro. Whatever the fuck. I don't know. I don't know who lives in North Delhi. Except
These bougie girls are not my cup of tea, bro. Or I am not theirs.
Yeah.
either
You
way,
don't have
tea
to
is
be
not being
bougie, girl. You
drunk.
just have to be. You can just be educated, man. You don't have to be bougie, bro.
Bike पे कौन बैठेगी? West Delhi या South Delhi?
Bike पे कोई नहीं बैठा.
West
बैठेगी.
betting.
There you go, man.
There you go.
Yeah.
Right on.
What about West Delhi girls?
That's South Delhi.
That's all. Really? Which part of Delhi has a higher cup size situation going on? Do you know? Is there a study?
I know nothing about the
These
East,
are the
so
things
I
that-
can't really.
Dude, I don't have enough experience with.
These are the
women in
things
Delhi.
that like Pew Research should be polling about,
Yeah.
right? Who cares about the state of underdeveloped EWS?
Dude, we can
Not
figure
us,
it out.
Not me.
We can figure it out. सबसे मोटे लोग कहाँ हैं? सबसे ज़्यादा मोटे लोग. I would say West Delhi, bro.
Really?
क्यों क्योंकि सारे इसके
क्योंकि-
रिश्तेदार वेस्ट दिल्ली में
क्योंकि खाना ऐसा होता है ना वहाँ पे मतलब
क्योंकि उनके पास खाना है
पराठे दा and
व्हाट
मतलब खाना मेन खाना.
खाना पंजाबी में खाना हो जाएगा
मतलब
Maybe that might be the case, but I'm not sure. You
does
know?
anybody know
It's a good enough guess. It's a good enough guess. Yeah.
yeah it could
Yeah.
be very
उनके थोड़े बहुत they have money also.
Yes.
पराठे चलते हैं वहाँ.
They have money also. That I don't know about.
some
मतलब more than fucking North Delhi, I guess.
North Delhi में old wealth है, bro. North
Old
Delhi-
wealth.
Yes.
North
money-
Delhi तो
old
मतलब
money
old
है
Delhi हो गई ना.
हाँ, old Delhi में old money है बहुत.
Old Delhi में old money है.
crazy
Yes.
old गरीबी भी तो है
भाई ओल्ड दिल्ली में यार कि तूने गया है तू ओल्ड दिल्ली?
अबे तू ना सिर्फ चांदनी चौक जाके you don't know what old Delhi is.
नॉट ओल्ड दिल्ली, मैं जामा मस्जिद जाता हूँ ना.
Okay,
वही,
sure,
same
but that's
shit.
still that's the commercial as the market area.
Yeah, but जामा मस्जिद does not feel rich. Nobody
That's because you're going to the market. Abe yaar, but you go to the residential areas, na? There's a
But-
lot of you look at the real estate there, the people
You
who have
also-
been there generationally.
But in Chandni Chowk, whatever, also you have some insane Havelis and stuff. Also, still that is also a lot of old money. That
Yes, but there's a
वो भी
lot
तो
of
है.
old money. Yes, in
चांदनी चौक. ठीक है. I mean, yeah, I don't see it, but
I don't know about East Delhi. Does anyone have any fucking idea about East,
East
Delhi?
Delhi is
What is going on?
Garibs.
Who is going on?
Garibs.
Garibs. So
Garibs.
East Delhi's out.
वो जमुना पार्क के बीच में है actually. वो उधर
Right.
that's the Mayur Vihar shit.
Oh,
That's like-
so Noida ke paas. Yes.
It's on
No.
the way to Noida.
Right. Okay. That is East.
Yes,
yeah.
East Delhi is not doing well economically.
So then West Delhi it is. I got to get myself some shakkar mommy from fucking West Delhi.
yes, get
Yeah.
get one of those juicy couture jumpsuit
Yeah.
cord set.
That's West
lady.
Delhi. Yeah.
Yeah, juicy khajur, juicy
Juicy Kajur.
Juicy Kajur.
Yeah. Shakkar mommy. Or shakkar mommy.
शक्कर मम्मी.
Yeah.
Sugar
Sugar,
mommy.
sugar mommy नहीं shakkar mommy.
अच्छा, तो शक्कर मात अच्छा. I don't know.
नहीं नहीं उतना दूर नहीं जाना. Don't you always overdo a joke actually.
Oh right.
Yeah, it's really this problem that you have.
Sugar mommy तो साउथ दिल्ली में ही मिलेगी.
So, exactly. Sugar mommy, you're not gonna find
Not
out
in West
Delhi,
Delhi.
buddy.
I'll hedge my bets both places.
They're digging for gold in West Delhi, bro. You don't even get it.
Fuck. Okay, well.
This is an interesting conversation.
It is, isn't it?
It's a weird fucking conversation.
Just as long as nobody's territorial, sure I could.
Territorial.
But Delhi.
इस इलाके की चूज मैं चलाता हूँ सिर्फ. But you gotta, you're fucking this broad. I gotta get my cut of the week. The dawn comes up. मेरा हफ्ता का है.
What about Gurgaon?
हफ्ते में मूवी.
That's what I'm saying. I have Gurgaon, I have Delhi.
No, but what
South
what
Delhi,
type
I
of
have-
people live in Gurgaon?
Acha.
So it's only new money. They moves to Gurgaon, bro.
It's
No, it's no old money. There's
People
like-
who work at
it's
Cyber Hub.
all the nouveau riche. It's the nouveau riche and it's the transplants who come from other cities.
yeah.
Professional, you know.
Lots
Young
of people from other cities. That's true.
Urban working professional class moves
The
there.
melting pot है Gurgaon, यार. It's not like South Delhi. It's the same person, carbon copy.
Yeah, thank God for that.
Yeah.
We don't want no fucking melting
Yeah.
pot. You want all the weirdos fucking socializing in our spaces? No, thank you very much. We'll go to Gurgaon when we
by
want
the
some
way,
flavor.
We worked hard to keep this an exclusive place, and Allah, inshallah, inshallah, lillah.
अबे migrant
We'll stay
workers
this way.
migrant workers से मिलना होगा चले जाएंगे हरियाणा है गुड़गांव हो आएंगे कोई बात नहीं
जब थोड़ा सा
गरीबों की नगरी गुड़गांव
When you wa-
गुड़
when you
गुरुग्राम
want to take
You
a ga-
can't say that, bro.
when you want to take a gamble on who's
गरीबों की नगरी you can't call.
हाँ वो मगनोलिया शगनोलिया लगा दिया वहाँ पे एक दो बस
नहीं हम गरीब नहीं बोल रहा मैं मतलब when I'm saying is middle class, you know.
जगह देखिए
Delhi
कितनी
is
वो
हमारे पास?
एवरेज आउट हो
सड़कें
Delhi is upper
देखिए
class.
हमारी.
हाँ,
भिखारी नहीं है गुड़गांव में. तुम्हारे में भिखारी भिखारी भर रखे हैं.
फालतू से सेम जोक बाले पर मार चुका है, ठीक है.
हाँ.
at least our income inequality is more
बाद में भिखारी यहाँ पे क्यों आते हैं क्योंकि हम लोग के पास पैसे हैं देने को. गुड़गांव में किसके पैसे नहीं है. वहाँ पे कहता है मैं गरीब से क्या मांगूंगा यार. वो लोग
दिल्ली शिफ्ट होते हैं भाई मांगने
मैं खुद
वो
मांगता
आएगा वो बोलेगा खाना दे दे कहते बिजली का बिल भर दे मेरा.
मतलब 50 कहते
दूसरा
कहता 50 रुपए मांग रहा है.
वो बोलेगा मैं
मैंने कहा
तुझसे
क्या किसके लिए चाहिए? कहता खाने के लिए चाहिए. मैं कहा तेरे को 50 रुपए खाना खाना आता है मेरे को भी दिखा दे भाई. काम होता है 50 रुपए का खाना. मैं भी खा लूंगा. दोनों खा लेंगे.
जब पहले वोट दे के आता साले
दिखाने
मिल
की-
जाएगा तेरे को
किसको वोट?
भिखारी को कि अगली बार तू वोट दे के आजा तेरे को मिल जाएगा खाना तू भाग यहाँ से
अबे एक तो पता है गुड़गांव में अभी गर्मी थी ना बहुत. तो लोगों ने
गुड़गांव में थी बात.
दिल्ली में नहीं दिल्ली में बहुत सर्दी थी दिल्ली में आड़ जम गए थे हमारे बहन चोद मेरा लर्न पॉप्सिकल बन के टूट चुका है
हाँ तो मतलब एनसीआर में बहुत गर्मी थी ना तो यहाँ पे लोगों ने बाहर ऐसे ठेले लगा रखे थे जिसपे वो शरबत बेच रहे थे
ओके.
जस्ट फॉर फ्री.
बेचना नहीं कहते उसे उसको देना कहते हैं
सॉरी मतलब हाँ बेच नहीं रहे थे मतलब दे रहे
स्टॉल
थे
लगा
लोगों
रखा.
को.
हाँ या.
तो
That's cute. Did you have some?
मैं रुका
line,
सो
of course,
मैं
of
रुका अबे नहीं आई स्टॉप मेरे को मिला नहीं. आई स्टॉप देयर गाड़ी से.
Free का भी
मैं कहा
मालिश
मेरे को भी
कर
दो. कहता है आपके लिए नहीं है सिर्फ 2 व्हीलर्स के लिए है. मैं कहा फक ब्रो. मैं ऐसी बंद कर देता हूँ यार ऐसी क्या.
ये होती है असली बेइज्जती जाओ फ्री का माल
ये
लेके
वो
आप
गुड़-
वहाँ पे डिनाई होते
ये
हो
फ्री
का माल
निकल
लगा
बाद में
यार.
ये गुड़गांव के रईस है जो मर्सिडीज में आके
हाँ.
बोलते हैं मुझको शरबत पका दे. ये ऐसी खोकी अमीरी है बहन चोद गुड़गांव
अरे,
में।
I just
और
want
उनके
to
गरीबों
taste
को
it.
इज्जत भी नहीं, उनको मना करके भेज देते हैं
अबे मैं
Mercedes से,
पैसे
जा
भी दे
यार।
देता यार, बट आई वांट टू टेस्ट इट कि क्या पिला रहे हैं, लाइक कैसी, मतलब
बेइज्जती पिला रहे
रूह अफ़ज़ा
हैं,
type.
बेइज्जती पिला दी।
ऐसी मूड आके आ गया वापस।
Such गुड़गांव things bro.
नहीं, पर गुड़गांव में सब मेरी तरह नहीं होते ब्रो, तुम्हारी साउथ दिल्ली की तरह होते हैं ज्यादातर लोग, बूजी बूजी।
Relax yourself.
Yeah, we are going for brunch. I'm going to have some mimosas at brunch.
By the way, both of us really do that every fucking weekend.
Yeah.
We're
But
so bougie.
People
We're
do that
literally
na in South Delhi.
People do that all over the fucking city, man.
No.
No, what do you
मैं
mean?
सुबह 11 बजे
What do you mean, no, man? You think people don't?
Bro, nobody's having mimosas for brunch, bro. It's a very small percentage of people.
It's the elite wherever they are. They do this, you know. Like
They're all in South Delhi.
they're not all in South Delhi.
Most of them. अच्छा ठीक है.
Yeah, for sure. It's certainly an elite phenomenon, and it's a little. I mean, it's not for me, man.
अरे अमीर गरीब में
I actually
फर्क,
don't like the aesthetics of brunch.
अमीर गरीब में फर्क सिर्फ इतना ही है कि सुबह उठ के आप मिमोसा की बात करो, समोसा की बात करते हो। That's essentially
Yeah.
it.
वाह। सिर्फ इतना ही फर्क है।
Yes. That's it. That's literally it. Everything else is the same.
I don't like samosas.
I don't like
अमीर,
mimosas.
अमीर।
हाँ, तू अमीर है, मैं गरीब हूँ।
नहीं, but most people like samosas. Who have you ever heard somebody say I don't like samosas?
Yes.
Some idiot.
I'm sure there's someone out there who doesn't like samosas.
Me, but it's quite rare, na. Usually, I don't know. You're giving me a very normal reaction. Usually, people are like, you don't like samosas? Bro, samosas are
अरे हम समझ चुके हैं कि तू पागल है ना, इसलिए हम ऐसे उम्मीद रख के नहीं बैठे।
No, but like, firstly, I also don't expect everyone to be the same as I am. You know, like, if you don't like your parents with samosas, yeah, that's good.
But what is not to like with samosas?
Why are you making this argument?
Please elaborate. Please elaborate, since you clearly don't like them.
Tell us
What the
why.
hell, man? What is not to like? There's got to be something.
समझा कि तू चूतिया क्यों
What is it that
है?
you don't like?
I think that the regular samosa should be made of keema, because if you've ever had a keema samosa, those are bomb. But the aloo matar wale jo hote hain,
हाँ.
those are not as good in comparison to the keema
So
samosa.
veg non-veg का तो तू कर ही नहीं सकता. This is like comparing apples and oranges,
Yeah.
which you can't. Which you can't.
Dude, they are
Alright,
both
then-
samosas,
no.
and I can't compare a samosa to a samosa now.
No, you can't. You can't compare a keema samosa to an aloo samosa, but then you
एक
should
second.
start with saying firstly. तू बोल ले veg samosa नहीं पसंद, ये बोलना.
Huh?
अब तो अभी तू you start with this. It's a misdirection. कि नहीं, I don't like samosas, but then
What's not to like?
Actually, keema samosa slaps. But
Yeah. When was the last time you guys had a keema samosa?
literally,
2 months
I had a Nepalese version of it, which is
What?
called what?
Momos.
नहीं, even ERTC में मंगवाया था. I had it on like fucking Saturday or Sunday.
Oh.
Saturday I had that.
Nice.
Fuck, I'm forgetting the name. Hold on.
Yeah, but they're pretty good.
Shabale बोलते हैं
I
ना?
love keema
I had the buff shabale, which is basically a
I've
samosa.
not had that.
समोसे के अंदर minced buff होता है. Top tier.
छा गए?
हैं?
कौन छा गए?
Shabale.
शाबाले.
Shabalu.
शाबाले शाबाले.
माहिया से शाबाश.
शाबाले.
Yeah.
UFC होने वाला है.
Nice.
आज की कल?
Who's playing?
Sunday को होता है bro.
अच्छा.
Game किसकी है?
Ian Gary, you know who Ian Gary is?
Right. The
Both brothers.
The
Ian
brothers.
and Gary, yes.
What? Who?
Ian and
Gary
Gary.
brothers.
नहीं.
Last name क्या है?
Gary last name I think. But I think
Gary.
he took his wife's last name.
Wait. How is he a fighter, bro?
He's
One
the biggest
second.
cuck ever. He got married to this. He's like 27 or something. He got married to this 40-year-old woman who's written a book.
Is she attractive?
She's fine.
Okay.
Who's written a book about how to manipulate young athletes as an older woman. Literally, that's the topic
Literally,
of the
I guess if somebody writes the book,
Lead by
it should be her.
example. You know?
Yeah.
She's got skin in the game, bro.
And then,
like, you know,
and then
if someone were to learn,
her ex-husband
yes,
is
The publisher.
this guy's nutritionist,
wait a second.
and they live in the same house.
Keeping it in the family.
And they live in the same house, bro.
That's some MFM going on there.
Listen, man.
I mean,
don't-
hey, mad respect because
Well,
if anyone should write the book, it's her. I don't want like Shaq writing this book. or
Right,
something,
right.
तो एक बहन ये बात बताओ, वुडी एलन की गान मार दी, हैं? बेचारा वुडी इतनी अच्छी पिक्चर बनाई
हाँ
For
but उसने
marriage-
किया क्या था
वो
What
तो
did-
underage
underage था ना उसका, वही तो।
no he married a stepdaughter that's when they love
Yeah.
अच्छा right that's what he did
It was
that's
stepdaughter.
weird as
It's
fuck
it's an
bro
adopted daughter it's some
that's
adopt-
weird as fuck
listen
bro.
they bought a Chinese girl
You know what kind of porn
they
he was
raised her
into?
for a couple of years and then he married her
He wanted
Yeah,
return on
yeah,
his
yeah.
investment.
Now I
why aren't you allowed
remember.
to raise your wife
Now I
anymore?
remember,
It's
now
called
I remember.
ROI.
You could raise your wife for most of history. Now suddenly it's a faux pas.
What is the
Suddenly
return
it's-
on your stepdaughter?
Suddenly you're not allowed to raise your wife anymore. Bro,
Yeah.
you would know. Alia,
what
wasn't she
More
raised by
profit.
Muhammad?
okay let's not talk about this
But was she?
no she didn't wasn't.
She was raised and then he married her later. Or like they married and then they consummated later on when she was an adult or whatever the fuck. But
I
then
mean
he did raise her, no?
it was a different time bro
That's what I'm saying for most of history.
she was a lot more adult at her age than anyway I don't want to talk
That's
about
the general argument. Your Honor, she
Basically,
was much more adult
His,
than I.
his argument is you just have to groom them right. Right? Which is what we're saying.
this no I'm just saying I'm not going to use the current moral standard to judge something that happened 15
Precocious works actually. It's, it's not really an age thing. It's a state of mind.
Aaron Taylor Johnson की भी तो पत्नी जो है was is like 15 years older than him and one of his first movies he did he was 18 and she was the director and then so now they're
the
married.
age is not even the issue I think the issue is
But
that
it's sexy
he
when
took
a
his
woman
wife's
grooms a
name
man.
and their ex is living with them in the same house like
No, that's
That
just
is
called a
what
fun
it
time. That's not a grooving.
I think that's weird
But is he a good fighter overall?
Clearly not.
I mean he hasn't really been challenged until
The
this
nutritionist.
Sunday.
Which class?
He's 155 I think
The lightweight?
yeah I think so actually no he must be 170
170th of a welterweight?
yeah because he's not 155 size I think
Good one, yeah. Clearly he follows sport.
But it's sexy.
who cares about the weight class how much man
Because just
170.
to gauge how competitive the weight class is, I mean,
no it doesn't matter bro if this guy's rank fucking 15 he's not even anywhere close to the belt it doesn't matter what his weight class is right now
Yeah, but it does determine what kind of competition he'll have.
170 abhi he's fighting MVP who's very new to the UFC anyway
MVP कौन है?
Michael Venom Page he was like huge in Bellator he was massive he was their biggest star
He was the MVP.
yeah and then for so many years now he's like older he's not in his prime
Yeah, because I feel like I've heard that name before. Michael
Yeah,
Venom
he was
Page.
huge he broke some guy's skull
Nice.
cracked his fucking skull right here
Part of the job.
That's pretty cool.
yeah but that's the only time I've heard of someone getting a cracked skull
Really? Surely.
It's the only time it happened actually. It's the first time in history.
In his human history.
Recorded history.
So first crack.
dude you want to
skull.
see a picture of him
Of his cracked skull.
yeah
Yes.
So
completely caved in
caved in.
Wow.
Yikes.
So the structural integrity was kind of shit actually of the
Yeah.
skull. Like you should have got a better fucking skull.
Ah man, chill.
Genetic lottery lost.
Boo.
Boo. Punjabi hunda na.
Whoa,
Solid रहना सी.
Damn, that's nuts.
Huh?
And how do you create a hole in the skull, pump some air, and how do you get back into shape?
Is it terrible of me to laugh because
I'm pretty sure it heals back
Broken.
misshapen yeah
That's what I'm saying. Like, how do you put it back in shape?
You
Damn
don't.
it.
You do
Damn, man.
villain roles in
And you know,
Bollywood for
after
the
he
rest of
did
your life.
this-
Cyborg Santos skull. No, but I'm sure there's going to be enough. I think there should
Empty
be
space.
reconstructive surgery. Yes, you should be able to do that. But
yeah I don't know what they did he never fought after this fight and you know what this guy did after he did this
yeah.
he fucking blew his skull open and then he got a pokeball and he put on the Ash Ketchum ka topi and he got a pokeball and he rolled it at his fucking dead body
So clearly there was brain damage to somebody.
yeah he basically
Right.
caught a pokeball after he fucking almost killed this guy
It's beautiful.
yeah just to explain what kind of a person he is and he's fighting this fucking cuck now
Oh, so he hadn't fought since then.
no he has fought but the guy whose skull he smashed hasn't fought and this is like his second fight in the UFC now MVPs
Wait, so the first fight was this?
no the first fight was
This
against
was not
Kevin
UFC.
Holland,
This
yeah.
was not UFC.
No, the first fight was the first fight in the UFC after being signed by Dana White was somebody else, and this is his second fight in the UFC.
Right.
He's already a big name, but he wasn't in the UFC. He was in a different promotion.
Okay.
Bro, so this is the song that you were saying that you don't like.
निखिल का है ना ये
This song is
Nikhil.
awesome.
या एक ना कारपेंटर आ
If
रहा है
anything, all
वो
these
तुम्हें
song
फोन
is
करेगा
people
ठीक है?
have great taste in music.
फिर उसके बाद
How do you set a ringtone? I'm going to set
Caller
one.
tune.
Because this guy thinks, only working class people. I will set one.
कमेंटर आ
I
गए
think
निखिल,
you have
तो
to do
मैं
it
कैसे
चला
करते हैं?
अब रुको वहीं पे ठीक है
I think I've never done it. I think you have to do it through your provider. मतलब Airtel या Vodafone कुछ app में कुछ
So I
होगा.
have Airtel app.
तो उसमें होगा शायद.
क्या
Caller tune.
नहीं but कौन सा song bro?
वो तो link
You know that
देंगे
song
list.
that we always sing?
भोसड़े
ढीले
ढीले
तेरे भोसड़े ढीले. Sorry.
we mixed up to two versions we made भोसड़े गीले
वो
and
हाँ
बोबड़े ढीले।
भोसड़े गीले.
भोसड़े गीले and
बोबड़े
बोबड़े
ढीले.
ढीले
yes.
yeah.
जाने वो लोग कैसे? वो क्या song है?
झांटो की बारात बुन में सिरा मेरे भाई
Shop.
What is the
जाने क्यों दोस्त गांड मारते हैं. बोला.
नहीं यार प्यासा का.
अच्छा.
जाने की
जाने वो कैसे लोग थे.
ओ गांड में डालना. हग के हुआ पुराना. Is that the one?
Yes.
Which one? Which other Jan song is?
कहाँ से डलता
बबले
है bro?
रोज खाई अब
आलोड़े बीच स्वाना सनम.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun. Yeah.
कैसे डलता है यार?
Bro, so मैं जिम जा रहा हूँ ना आजकल.
Nice bro, good shit.
Every single day, well,
Every
except
single
for
day?
except for Sundays.
Don't burn yourself
no,
out,
because
bro.
Sundays gym band hai, so Sundays my rest.
Don't
day,
burn
and
yourself
it
out.
feels
You don't need
purposeless.
every single day. What are you doing in the gym?
We're doing dedicated body parts per day.
I think you should do
Back,
twice a day every day.
shoulders. Today's arms.
Right, so you should
and-
probably give your body some time to rest.
I keep asking for more. He's like, slow down, relax. You're doing
No,
well.
but you're paying him per session, na?
No,
Then,
well, it's just a monthly thing.
Monthly
so as
thing.
many times I go.
so you definitely need your body to rest a little bit.
I feel great every day when I go. The day I don't go, I feel very weird. Even Sunday, I feel very weird and unproductive.
Okay, I'm just giving you advice as somebody who has worked out.
I'm
in
also
the
eating like a truck, like afterwards. 6 boiled eggs and half a chicken or something or the other, and it's a full protein shake.
past. I mean, if
Matlab
you
I'm
feel
having a
good,
full-
then fine. It's
I
fine.
love it.
You can
I'm
work
falling
out every
asleep
day.
early and everything, and it's
But
great.
yeah, it's usually typically your body needs to some time to rest to be able to recover.
Yeah, so it
from the
has
workout.
18 hours. What depending on what time of the day I go to work out. If in the morning mostly,
What are you doing on workout?
depend करता है. आज arms है, biceps, triceps कराएगा.
So
Abs भी we're going to add.
You're doing machines.
machines, yeah, mostly. And of
अच्छा, सही है.
course,
तो ये I mean
stretches, jumping jacks, वगैरह a little bit.
सही है bro. ऐसे कोई मतलब कर ले फिर रोज ही
Push-ups,
कर.
push-up करा रहे हैं
अगर
वैसे
रोज
तो-
करने आती you like it then रोज.
I love it.
Yeah.
But I'm so
आधा
maybe
कितनी देर करता है?
just about an hour.
Yeah, go. सही है bro. Very good.
8 exercise होते हैं 15 rep के 3 set each sort of thing. And but he's so मेरी जुबान बहुत गंदी है तो मैं जाता हूँ वहाँ पे and I don't filter my speech, so I'm like I'll see the machine and I'm also unfamiliar with a lot of these things, so I'll ask him like गांड का डालनी है, पैर का डालने है, this that whatever, and before he used to get very shy, and like yesterday we were, and he started also एक दो बारी उसके मुंह से भी निकला है यार
गांड यहाँ डाल दे।
ये भोसड़ी वाले अरे गांड ऊपर कीजिए, and then he's like catching himself and he's looking so ashamed, and he's seen him, people have heard him, this is the guy trainer at the gym, and he told me but yesterday पता नहीं I was in front of some 16-year-old, I didn't know there were 16-year-old kids, these guys all look the same from 16 to 26, okay,
Yes, हाँ.
so
Bro,
मैं
that's risky.
अभी आता है लड़का अभी आ रहा है OTP चाहिए तुम्हें रुक जा
Dude, I can't find the Hello Tune thing. यार.
1773 अभी आ रहा है, काफी चीज लगानी है,
Talk
फायर
to our
ये
chat
फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर
bot.
लगाने हैं बहुत जगह पूरी बिल्डिंग में, ठीक है, वो पहले कराना, उसके बाद मेरे को कुछ फ्रेम भी करानी है, ओके हाँ
Activate,
नेक्स्ट
deactivate
टाइम
Hello
आना
Tune.
पड़ेगा, नेक्स्ट अपॉइंटमेंट भी है आपकी, तो ऐसे कैसे आ गया, फिर मेरे को तो घंटे लगेगा आपको काम करने में, ज्यादा भी लग जाएगा शायद, ये है क्या साले करने क्या है the fuck?
The hell, bro. Dude,
wait so yesterday
I'm setting a Hello Tune. Should I? I probably
that's
shouldn't,
fucking
bro.
retarded, dude.
I have other regular people that also call me.
Exactly, bro. And they'll get, because you're gonna be having business calls. Suddenly, you're like, "Oh, man."
Yeah, yeah.
जुल्फों में
Yeah, I can't do
तुमने
that.
जो छोड़ा.
I can't do that. I can't do that. Not on this number.
I'm making a song on this.
I'll get a new number.
It's regular ass Himesh Reshamiya out there.
और जुल्फों में जो छोड़ा.
So yesterday we had chest day.
You'll get a separate phone number for the Hello Tune.
No, bro. I will
set
get
it
a
to specific
separate number
contacts.
for business.
Okay.
Then I can
So that
use
you can
this
have all
for
these
bakchodi.
cheapas, yes.
But I don't see. Secondly, I don't understand. Why are you subjecting me to your music? सुन ले अपना Spotify खोल.
I'm just saying because
What the fuck is this?
You think only working class people have it, so I just want to,
You just
show
want to
you
working
be
class.
wrong. Just that.
My vibe is also working class.
Why does this fucking dude keep bothering me? He fucking ruined my mood in the morning with a stupid argument, and I left. Like I literally said, "It's like never mind." I'm still talking to a 12-year-old. This fucking guy.
It's pretty accurate actually, but
I literally have not responded to him since then. Since probably like 10:30 a.m. I have not responded to this guy by calling him a 12-year-old first.
he's worried. Oh,
He's worried?
yeah.
For what?
Suki naraz to nahi mere se.
And Ivan reacted. He laughed at it.
At what?
It's telling you something on
It's
the
a
watch.
group
It's on your
chat.
group
It's
chat.
on the watch group. Because एक तो ना उसको पता कथाएं लटने की इसकी आदत है.
Yeah, that's why do you think
और
I left?
एकदम गलत. It's just not it. I'm not in the mood.
Yeah, okay.
No, I like the lad, bro. But he's an idiot sometimes.
Yeah.
And I'm mostly I suffer fool's gladly. But sometimes I'm also
Not glad about it.
sometimes I'm not glad about it. Sometimes I let it be known that hey buddy,
Listen.
it's a bit much. Your idiocy, the level is too high right now.
How are we still friends then?
That's true, because mostly I suffer fool's gladly. Mostly. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Operative word. नहीं also तेरे साथ वो 10 साल का थोड़ा सा वो है ना इमोशनल
अच्छा।
इसको तो भी 1.5 साल ही नहीं जानते हो.
Right.
Like, after
मुझे खतरा है. मुझे खतरा है.
it is what they say though. After 7 years friendships you have are for life
Yeah,
basically.
Dude, they don't say that.
They say that,
I
yeah.
don't believe it.
They said,
This is
yeah.
the thing- this is like a factual thing.
It's not factual
It
at
is,
all.
it
Have you
is.
seen my life?
You
No,
might
but
be,
7
you might be the edge
consistent,
case.
sustained years of friendship.
You might-
Yes.
You might be the edge case.
Yeah. Those are the ones that all fucking. I don't talk to anymore.
But I'm
No,
sure.
we will find you some friends. Govind's from my gym and you will be
No,
like,
I don't want to
right.
find any friends. I just want to chill out by myself and relax.
that's
By
great.
myself, and you want a wife or a girlfriend, something like that. वो तो change.
Yes, but I don't
So
need
by
friends.
definition, not by myself.
Yes.
I don't need friends.
Yeah. Talk about getting a girl
That's
but
for
having
sure.
no friends. That's not going to be a red flag at all.
What?
How about who are your friends?
What is
I
the
don't have
red
any-
flag?
He'll base his
You
personality
say,
off her.
if you don't have any friends, bro, that's a.
I don't. I have friends. I just don't need them, bro. I don't need these people in my life. So annoying.
क्या हो गया?
I am holding this up because it
और
has
ये बाहर
dropped.
निकल गया ये. हाँ तो घुसा रहे ना अंदर इतना क्या देख क्या रहा है मेरे को confused के struggle के साथ.
Okay.
What the hell?
This guy's like,
Like,
"Mummy, I
You
want-"
sound like my gym trainer now.
What the fuck, bro?
No, because you are.
You're
तेरी आदत है ना
You're
to
looking
just-
at just be helpless.
Yeah.
The moment something that.
anything goes wrong, he's like, start looking. Oh, mummy,
I think
where
this
are
works.
Yeah.
I'm very happy with this.
Yeah.
Yes, great solution.
Yeah. I
You are the biggest idiot here.
Go on.
I have to let this. Yesterday we were doing chest day.
Chest today.
Chest today.
Wait, are you talking about your date or what?
Yes.
Baby,
The
it's
classic.
so.
The classic unit of days of the week. Today we're doing legs.
Chest
We are
day.
doing chest. Today upper body, tomorrow lower body.
So what is that? Boob job. Chest day is boob job.
Yeah,
Leg day is like a
titty day.
footsie?
It's titty day. Titty day at the gym yesterday.
Right on.
And these 16-year-olds are talking about. I didn't know
Oh,
they were
right,
16.
right, right.
So I was. And he's like, "Ki, you have to muscle mind connection bana. यहाँ पे stretch feel. So I'm telling him, "Hey, यार सब arms में हो रहा है, बबलों में stretch नहीं आ रहा." These kids lost it, bro. And he's like, "क्या कर रहे हो? मरवाओगे मुझे?" I'm unfiltered when I go to the gym.
But that's
I'm just-
fine, dude.
yeah.
And by the way, tell them about the podcast.
And he knows, and I've told him, ki,
Tell the kids I'm saying.
"Oh yeah, that's a good idea."
Let the kids spread it.
I thought मैं cycle नहीं करता because I guess a cycle
Because
doesn't go
kids
too
like
high.
this kind of like toilet humor, what we do with the bubbly and the boomerang.
Yeah, it's great. No?
Kids love it.
It's literally 16-year-old like you. It's a sweet spot.
Man, if it makes you laugh, it makes you laugh.
Yeah,
I'm not
exactly.
trying to fucking do intellectual comedy over here, buddy.
मार चुदा है.
I'm not a fucking
We have the wrong casting for that.
not a jokesmith,
Yeah.
as they say.
जोगिंदर.
जोक्स में होते हैं ना लेकिन
But तू जोगिंदर है.
the smith as if like it was a
हाँ
profession.
हाँ मुझे पता है like blacksmith, goldsmith, jogsmith.
Oh my god, that's rude, bro.
Is Jogpreet can't take a. Okay.
That's rude. तू भी निकाल के मार.
इसकी बस की नहीं है.
I'm an agent of peace.
You are a pussy.
बस की तो सब कुछ है यार. I'm bad.
Yeah. I'm instigator number 1. अब
हाँ,
पेन भी ले भाई, तेरा गंदा सा
वापस
मोजे
तो
की
पहले
स्मेल.
से यार please respectfully for our audience.
You will stink up the place, bro.
Why? Those nice smelling socks. I barely had them on. And I got snowman on them.
नहीं तो तुम्हें कुछ काम धंधा नहीं है जो Wednesday afternoon you guys are having sex.
So we guys are not having I had sex with somebody.
With you and some other guy or girl, whatever.
तू उसको हर चीज तो why do you always tell him कि there is a pod going on?
Who?
Handa, you must have told him.
Yeah.
You gotta be the only one.
So you and some guy are having sex, which is Handa.
No man.
I ain't doing that shit, bro.
So if he knows there's a pod going on, why is he calling during the pod?
I don't know whether he knew the time of the pod and all of that.
No, he didn't.
Yeah. Because I was thinking, हाँ जी, मैंने तो यार ये फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर लगवाने हैं. वो बंदा आया हुआ है. ठीक. इंटरेस्ट पे लगाते हैं. एक बार गिन ले, मोहित से पूछ ऊपर बिल्डिंग में बाकी कहाँ लगे हैं, उसके हिसाब से लगवाने शुरू करो. ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे लगाने नहीं देंगे. ये अंकित ने बोला है ग्राउंड और बेसमेंट के लिए है? अच्छा ये ना इसकी कील ठीक करो, इसकी लेवल करा दो, इसको यहाँ पे बुला, वो ही करा दो. ये क्लॉक लगवा. विल हैव अ कारपेंटर इन द बैकग्राउंड व्हाइल वी. ठीक है.
Yes, I love guests
हाँ
on the
ठीक है. तो
pod.
इसकी ना इसका लेवल मैं टॉकिंग टू माइक नाउ आल्सो. इसका लेवल उससे मैच करवाना है, तो उसकी कील थोड़ी ऊपर जाएगी. बोला उसको, अशरफ भाई आ जाओ.
Ashraf.
Ashraf
Ashraf Mia.
Ashraf Mia. तो कभी खुशी कभी गम नहीं.
I've also known Ashraf for like ever since I was born, basically. Ever since I can remember.
Stop trying to fit in with the Muslims.
I'm just saying he used to work in my.
एक तेरा दोस्त
Still
नहीं.
does.
एक तेरा दोस्त नहीं है.
What do you mean?
You don't have any single
You
Muslim
don't
friend.
want friends. He doesn't want them either. He just wants a woman. That's it.
No, right.
Whatever. I'm just saying.
Sorry to throw your own words back at you in the same
That guy
context.
is kind of my friend. Like we've been through a lot, man.
If you've known him since you were born, is he?
He used to work in my nana's house. So, and he still does.
Domestic help को हम दोस्त समझते होंगे, वो कभी दोस्ती समझते हैं.
No, we have, bro. I've grown up around him. Like,
You
of
don't
course,
understand you don't understand my point.
he's like almost a father figure.
We
for
can
me.
always
Literally,
we
this
can
is still
always-
consistent with what he said. तुम तो समझ रहे हो.
We can always be friendly with them, but they will never think of us as friends.
Bro, he's like a father figure.
तो तेरा दोस्त कैसे हो गया फिर अगर तेरा father figure है?
They're friends. Like, you know, one time we went. मेरे नाना का वो था. क्या कहते हैं?
Birthday.
Reunion for his medical college or something like that. Okay.
Okay.
So उस reunion पे he came back from the reunion, but he forgot his like file, I guess.
इसका हाँ level उससे
And
match
that
करना
file
है.
had a lot of like old pictures, I guess, or like some stuff that the college gave him at the reunion.
Right.
So I was tasked to go get it. And I am lazy. So I told,
Ashraf.
yes, कि you go to Kanpur and you get it.
Right.
So he went.
निकल एक गिलास पानी ले आ. I've had this weird dry cough.
And then,
Sorry, go on.
yeah. So then he came back from Kanpur bus mein. And then bus se he came back home. And then I'm like, okay, give it to me now. Where is it?
Yeah.
And then he's like searching for it, and then he forgot, he lost it. And I'm like, you literally went to Kanpur for one thing, and that is the one thing you didn't bring. So he's
No
like,
wonder they're
I think,
friends.
तो I think वो बस में छूट गया.
हाँ.
तो मैं कहा अच्छा बस में छूट गया तो चलो भाई लेने चलते हैं. तो फिर हम सुबह के 2-3 बजे, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू टेल नाना कि वो जो एक चीज मंगवाई थी आपने, बिकॉज आई वाज एक्साइटेड कि हाँ अशरफ आ रहा है, वो लेके आ रहा है. अशरफ आया, उसने कहा नहीं है सामान. मैंने कहा रुको अभी नाना को शक्ल मत दिखाओ तुम, मैं भी नहीं दिखाता, चलो. तो सुबह के 1:30-2 बजे हम निकले.
बोलते रहे.
ब्रो क्या बोलते रहे.
He's just fucking knocking. What did you think was happening, bro? It's a carpenter.
No, I didn't know it was gonna be so loud, bro.
It's a fucking keel in the
You
wall.
think
man.
it's going to go like बड़े प्यार से ऐसे कील थोड़ी जाते है दीवार में
अच्छा
तो
वो तो भैं 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 करके जाएगा
shut up, यार.
थोड़ा सा ऊंचा हो गया ना ये बोला कि 1 सेंटीमीटर लगभग.
भैया जी जब ये बोलने लग जाए ना तब कील कील ठोक देना 2-4
Make that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I don't want to say, man. He's gonna ruin the fucking vibe, like my story. हो गया बहुत सही है. हो गया.
shut the fuck up.
no you talk please
नहीं.
अभी भी थोड़ा ऊंचा है. या तो इसको ऊपर ऊंचा कर लो दूसरे वाले को आपकी मर्जी है.
Next episode में
मिला
सुना.
दो बस इन्हें.
नहीं next episode nobody's gonna retain it at the second half story सुनेगा
No,
पागल
I'll
है
start from the beginning.
You think we're gonna listen to the story about something for Nana?
no
It's funny, bro.
Ashraf
Oh.
yeah अरे I also had to split my
ये
gym
serious
story
हो जाता
10
है
minutes
ना,
apart ना करना पड़ा ना मुझे मैंने कर दिया
सीरियस हो जाता है हमें. Buddy, I'm a clown.
Yeah.
I'm Abhinav Ravi. Yes. Okay, so anyways, so then what happened? You went to the bus station at 2 a.m. at night.
Yes.
Did you get it?
yeah
So
Did you get it?
I don't know how many bus addas you guys have been to.
a few
You have.
yeah especially when I lived
Literally
in Hyderabad
never.
Do you know?
when I lived in Hyderabad a lot.
Literally
So
never.
तू मतलब सुबह गया होगा ना तू जब बसें चलती हैं.
सुबह रात को नहीं जब स्कोर करना होता था
Oh my
मैंने बहुत
god!
करा
Score? What are you scoring?
IS
You better be
Uh,
scoring some
scoring
females, bro. Because I don't
scoring
know.
alcohol
Yuvraj?
Right.
I did not score females back then
Yuvraj?
so much no
IS
Yeah,
GT.
now you are.
yeah
Because you're so beautiful.
thank you baby
Yeah.
It's the personality, bro. It's what's inside.
Yeah,
you're
I
focused too
guess
much on the
that's what it
surface.
is. Nobody
You're
cares.
focused too much on the surface, bro. All this makeup and cosmetics that you've got going for you. Mercedes है, घड़ी ले ली अच्छी 2-3.
Yeah, nobody cares, bro.
कान में लगा लिए तूने, मोती के हार पहन दिए.
Nobody cares.
अंदर क्या है? अंदर तो खोखला है तू.
Yeah.
अपने दिल का हाल
नहीं,
क्यों
ऐसी
सुना
बात
रहा है
नहीं.
nobody cares
He's
nobody
a sweetheart.
cares
He's a sweetheart. उसके बाहर का फसाड है बस.
फसाड की जड़ है ये
I'm just really good at acting like an asshole. I'm not actually one.
Well,
Definitely,
ladies pay attention
definitely am.
but I'm saying it's not all that, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. In any case, so you went to the fucking bus adda
this
3 a.m.
हाँ
at 3 a.m.
तो तुम्हें पता है वहाँ सोने का सिचुएशन क्या होता है?
चांदनी जैसा.
गांड में डंडा लेकर
What क्या जैसा?
चांदनी जैसा.
नहीं bro. So basically all I don't get it.
सोना चांदी bro
चांदी.
अच्छा.
I said Chandni. Actually, I fucked up.
You didn't say Chandni, bro. You said Chandni, which is
Yeah.
moonlight.
I know.
This
I
fucking guy,
do.
bro.
I just.
You stick to English.
I will.
अभी भी याद है when he was on the phone half Punjabi
अभी
half
चलना दिखने में
Hindi
ठीक
one
है.
sentence
उससे मेरा काम हो जाएगा.
I can handle the Hindi.
ठीक है. Okay.
he can't
can
handle
handle
the
the
Punjabi
Punjabi?
he can't handle
ये
the
मैंने
He can handle the
बस
English, ना? इसकी English
तकाई,
अच्छी.
but the thing is we can also handle the English he can only handle the English
Speak for
is the
yourself,
thing.
man.
okay sure because I can
मेरी English बेकार है काफी.
Me- I'm a cunning linguist
हाँ?
I'm a cunning linguist
Cunning
मेरा-
linguist?
yes cunning linguist yes
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, but nobody said cunning linguist.
I know. The insinuation
But
is.
you see how long it took me to understand that.
yes
Yes.
So there
वो
you
तो
go.
दिमाग से पैदल है हम जानते हैं
But
इसलिए तो
it's-
बाइक
it's
लेकर
not a
तो
new
घूमना चाहता
phenomenon.
है
We often have to explain very simple wordplay jokes and sarcasm. Like the orange juice, I was really surprised that I'm the only one who got that fucking joke.
how are you doing when you got that joke
We didn't get it.
These
na?
guys, remember Zara and Yusuf both didn't get.
yes
We
yes
were
yes
talking about the
yes
juice,
yes
and I
yes
said
yes
orange juice, and
Yes.
yeah, right.
We didn't get it.
I was a little surprised.
Suki had to explain it to us.
yeah it's a religion thing
What, bro?
Well, I like the Jews, you know, so that's what. And you have a.
nice
What do you
That's a
like
good
about
one.
them now, bro?
Huh?
What do you like about? You still like them?
I like the Jews. I actually.
they're not all
Jewish
Netanyahu
culture, you know, of
All the Zionists are
American
fine
Jewish
with the
culture, I
war.
really like.
Hmm?
American Jewish culture is it's very similar to what I experienced, you know, like in
yeah rich people
Yeah.
That I mean, yeah, exactly. Money,
Yeah.
great.
We like money.
They love to complain. Fuck yes, count me in. Because you know, you go to restaurants, Jews will complain.
You know, I didn't.
The wasps, they will be like, they'll eat it.
Wasps?
White Anglo-Saxon Protestant.
Protestants. Okay.
Yeah, the Protestant types, they'll just fucking not complain. They'll move on. The Jews make a fuss, and I like that.
Yeah.
I'm the
I
same.
didn't run into a lot of Jews when I was in LA.
ठीक है. अच्छा, और ये लगवाने हैं मेरे को.
Yeah, they probably avoided you.
Mexicans.
Probably avoided you on account of being
पर
racist.
लेकिन कहाँ लगवाने हैं?
Being racist?
They probably avoided you on account of them being racist.
Of them being racist.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very obvious what race I am. Like, you are fairly ambiguous, I would
That's
say.
true. Yes.
इधर देखनी है यहाँ पे.
You are.
You could be Arab, you could be.
I've got Southern Spanish also
You
at one
could,
point in time.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. You could definitely be like North African also,
Yeah.
or you could be Middle Eastern, or you could even be South American somewhat,
Yeah.
little less.
Brazilian, whatever.
You have a
definitely
very Arab nose, I
एक
think.
ना उनको बोलना कि उसके नीचे का लेवल देख लेंगे.
You know, like you have a Muslim nose.
Yeah.
Me, I just look Indian.
It's our Peshawari roots.
That's the
उसके
only
नीचे
thing.
का level.
Only thing people guess is,
ये
oh,
वाला
are you Indian? Oh, are you Indian? And I,
और
I could be
वो-
something
वो
else.
मिला
Are you from the hood?
I could be
That
something
too,
else
yeah.
also, man.
Yeah. You could be from Compton.
Yeah.
Yes.
I could-
ये
I
छोटे
could be
वाले.
from Sacramento, anywhere.
Sacramento is the word sack in it, so that's pretty gay. Let's not do that one.
That's where a lot of desis are.
Where in California?
Sacramento.
Yes, Sacramento. That is correct. Yes.
I have family there as well.
Brag.
And sorry, even San Jose.
San Jose.
San Jose.
San Jose.
San Jose.
Even New Jersey.
New Jersey. Yes, I have family there.
Even Chicago.
Chicago. I got no.
Windy city.
Oh.
Definitely a lot of Rajma eaters there.
I have family in Chicago.
लेकिन
And
कुछ-
then-
एक
कुछ
तो
and then
बिल्कुल
एक तो
वो-
Brampton.
चिकागो होता है.
क्या होता है?
एक तो चिकागो होता है.
Chicago?
चिकागो होता है.
What is that?
अच्छा भाई,
Pronunciation, bro.
What is
यहाँ से ना
Chicago
ये
क्या
जो
होता है?
white board-
Chicago.
Oh.
white board से 2 feet
Okay,
छोड़
okay.
के लगाना.
Is big brain joke.
Yeah.
जी.
I need to dumb myself down to understand your jokes sometimes.
Any further and you'll
Some-
be incoherent.
Some jokes you got dumb. Yeah, some jokes you got dumb. Some jokes you got smart enough. This,
You're teetering on the edge of dumb and. Yes.
okay, that's a wrap.
क्यों? अभी तो मजे आ रहे हैं.
कर लो मजे फिर.
कर लेते हैं.
हाँ कर ले तो मजे.
मोहब्बत कर ले रे.
मोहब्बत कर ले रे.
That's the song actually.
Okay, sure. Why not?
It's some Shamak Tower track.
That
So it
makes
used
sense.
to be like what?
Shower hour?
Shamak Tower.
Shower hour?
Shower Tower नहीं है.
Shower hour.
ज़रा ऊंचा हो गया.
Shower flower?
Did I tell you what
Flower
happened
power.
to? Did I tell you what happened to Chandani? My
Chalk.
maid.
I've never heard of her before, so
Look at
probably
that.
not.
Dude, Roshan and Chandni, the two siblings.
I know Roshan, Chandani, I don't know. I haven't heard of
So
this.
Chandni was a maid in
ठीक
my
है.
house. And she was मेरी माँ की चेली थी वो.
Right.
And
There is always one.
and then her husband used to drive a tempo.
Good job. Thank you. I'm just gonna move this out of the
Anytime.
path of destruction.
Pleasure. Her husband, Chandni's
Used to
husband.
drive a tempo.
Chandni's husband,
तेरी whiskey तो आई नहीं
सूरज के टाइम उठ के. हाँ.
इसकी नहीं है, है ना?
हाँ, ला.
So they got hit by a bus or a truck or something.
Lovely story. Keep going.
And then she broke her hand. Okay.
Anticlimactic for a
So
truck
then-
accident. Okay, go on.
So then we broke her face, her hand, everything.
Okay, good.
then-
Yes, comprehensive. Yes.
And so then we had to let her go. Like we had to hire
Wow.
somebody new.
So she broke her face, had and lost employment. Great. Next, okay. Yes, move on.
No, we helped her out a lot.
Yes, by
Hey man,
firing
the
her.
job is manual labor.
But we hired somebody else basically, right? So by the time she
That
got,
helped her a lot.
Level up, you know.
Yeah.
No, she started a like a
Small
some-
business.
Some small business, yeah.
Of?
And I don't know something. But my mom
I
helped her
see you
start.
really care.
I don't care, bro. But she was my mom's like friend.
Cheri.
Okay?
Friend.
Yeah, like they were.
Confident type hote hain. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's the same tradition of referring to domestic help as friends.
yeah. So what else should am I supposed to call them?
Domestic help.
No, like
No,
no.
because
but
if you ask his mom,
we've had people domestic help that aren't friends. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, for sure.
We've had people that are not that close, and then she was one of the close ones. So obviously they were like,
उधर से ले उसमें मैंने actually frame लगाया नहीं, इसी का देख लो ना.
I mean, it's pretty.
मार्जिन दे दो 4 इंच का. मतलब कि इसके बगल के 4 इंच छोड़ के एक और से
4 इंच से ज़्यादा ले नहीं पाता ये. But anyway, yeah. So like his mom would say she's my friend, and she'd say नहीं मैं उनकी चेली हूँ.
अरे
So it's like
Like my mom would teach her ki like, you know, don't be so timid in front of the other maids and stuff, you know, like you're worth a lot more than them. You should have that attitude and you should have that ego
cheers to that.
about yourself.
Cheers to self-esteem.
Cheers, you know.
अबे वो कर लेंगे उससे. अच्छा नहीं तेरे को चाहिए क्या ये? तो फिर एक काम कर उसमें से वो पेज निकाल ले, इसको डाल ले, बंद कर दे, फिर दे देना. बिल्कुल सेम साइज है. हाँ वो कर लेंगे इसके बगैर. कर लेगा यार. सेम साइज. Sorry guys.
I love guest episodes.
Listen, because I had my day planned in advance, like most adults
Nah, I
do,
understand.
and now you've thrown a wrench.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the match is tomorrow.
Dude, you know why I preponed it?
Why?
Because I thought मेरे match के plans आज हैं.
And he called me while I was on my date in Gurgaon. By the way, I couldn't
By the
answer
way,
your call
also-
first.
I appreciate you guys preponing it though, but
They've got this new thing called the internet where you can confirm these things.
Yeah.
dude, somebody texted me about the match and I was like, oh fuck, it's today. And then
No,
I
here's the-
just fucking went with it, bro.
Here's the best thing, because he called me, I couldn't answer his call. So 20 minutes later, I called him back. He had so much time to check.
Dude,
and
I had-
He
verify.
called me in the middle. I had went to a physical therapy. मेरे को physical के पीछे phone आ रहा है. बोला क्या है? What do you want? He said 5 p.m. I said fine, okay. You know, like
Yeah.
I'll move
I
things
was like,
around.
I was supposed to go home, gym, eat. I haven't really had a proper meal today yet.
Dude, you don't need to.
I hadn't eaten either. I got home, got back. He saw me fucking just eat a paneer shawarma because I hadn't had anything.
You guys won't starve, bro. It's fine.
A paneer shawarma. My condolences.
Dude, wait a minute. You ordered a paneer shawarma?
Yeah.
I
what
didn't
the
want to.
That
fuck?
is
Didn't
disgusting.
want to eat
Yeah,
meat. I didn't
that's
want to eat
nuts.
meat.
He's
That's
he's an
crazy.
aloo samosa
I
fellow.
just didn't want to eat meat, man. Today.
Dude, what does that mean? Didn't want to eat meat.
That means I did not want to eat meat. Literally.
No, your body always craves meat.
That's incorrect.
Look, eating meat is a little gay. I can't lie.
That's
Just by saying like we're eating.
Eating-
I love eating meat.
eating
It's a bit of
mass.
it's a bit of a statement, isn't it?
Firstly, incorrect.
I love eating some meat.
Your body craves protein. It
I
does
love-
not crave meat all the time.
Yeah, but meat has all the amino acids that your body needs,
so I'm just-
which plant protein
Now,
doesn't.
Don't shift the goalpost.
Yes.
Your statement was your body craves meat. Okay. This-
Mine
by the
does. Mine does.
By the way, that's what happened with the debate with Ayush. Also, he shifted the goalpost, and I was like, I'm out of this fucking conversation.
Yeah, so you are right. Your body craves
That's
protein,
it. Yeah.
but your body craves complete protein, not incomplete
हाँ
protein.
तो मैंने I've had a whey protein वाली बार भी मैंने whole truth वाली खाई थी. Like,
No way. Sorry, go on.
That's a good one.
No.
So there's a brand ना Getaway.
Get away.
Getaway है ना ये वो brand.
That's cool. That's a nice
Kanye
name.
का गाना है Run Away.
Runaway, yes. हाँ.
उसने गोल्ड्स जिम के लिए बनाया वो गाना एक्चुअली.
सुन नीचे बेसमेंट में ना क्या बोलते हैं मैं चाहता हूँ एक जो घुसते सारी दीवार पे लगवाते फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर फर्स्ट दरवाजा खोल के कंट्रोल रूम बन के सर्वर रैक लकड़ वाले उसके बगल में बाहर एक वहां लगा
I started two stories that I couldn't finish.
सर्वर रैक जो नेटवर्क
Right.
वाला है
बस
उसके
अड्डा
बगल में
and
एक लगवा दे
चांदनी.
नाना
फिर
जी
दरवाजे में
कानपुर
अंदर घुसते
पिक्चर्स
हैं।
अशरफ मियां.
I'm not
and-
finishing either of
तो
them.
चार मैंने तो कैसे बता दी
No.
नहीं 1
Not now.
2 3
Next time
4
when I
चार
get
बताइए
a
वो लगाओ
chance to, I'll start and
Huh?
finish them.
Crazy. So we have
Whatever
suspense.
लगा
Guys, tune in to the next episode to see what happens to these two.
To
stories.
Chandni and what happened to Ashraf.
नहीं
Yes.
sorry and what happened so the you go to the bus terminal at 3 a.m. in the morning he's gone now he's gone to the
Or
basement
maybe pay attention to this episode. We might talk about it right
he's
now.
gone to the basement now
So should I start from the beginning?
yes by the way if
No,
there's,
we'll
if
do
there's any
Ashraf
arsonists
because-
out in the
Hmm?
in our audience now they know exactly how to burn my place down so that we don't have
Wait, what?
I'm saying because I'm getting the fire extinguishers installed
Great.
if there's any arsonists out there who are interested
In the words of Anu Malik, आग लगा दे, आग लगा दे, आग लगा दे, आग.
anyway go on
Yeah.
हाँ तो तुम गए 2:30 बजे
मैंने एक बार समथिंग आर्सन जैसा करा था अपने खुद के घर पे.
Of course, as you do.
hold on
Yeah.
do you
So-
want to be
चूल्हा जलाने की कोशिश तो
No,
नहीं
no,
की
it's my
आपने.
own house, so it's not arson. Na? It's just I just burnt my house
That's
down.
not the definition of fire or burning or anything.
I just burned my house. No, but
I at 3rd degrees at home वो actually नहीं.
so I'll tell you what happened.
नहीं बट सीरियसली एक बात बताओ अगर तुमने अपना खुद का घर जला दिया ठीक है
It's not arson.
और किसी ने कंप्लेंट नहीं फाइल करी so then what happens does the state get involved फिर भी कि are you a
No.
mental patient
No, nobody gets involved, bro.
I believe there is, because will be some procedural shit that you got.
Nobody got involved, guys. I'm telling you
And you
first
could
hand.
also, I mean,
Okay, we need to assess the scale of the
I guess,
arson be first.
but I also guess, like, you know, public.
It is not arson, bro. It's my own house.
That's
It
what
is
I'm
not
thinking.
arson. You
Danger to the
dumb
public.
fucks.
What if no? But if there is,
Residential property.
if they can sufficiently prove that it could have risked other people's lives, public
Who
endangerment.
is going to
वगैरह-
prove that? It is
The fucking
just a
state-
fire, bro. It's a random fire.
Fucking state, man.
Dude, first of all, this happened when I was young.
That's what every arsonist says.
You guys are so stupid, bro. You don't even know what country you live in. Nobody gives a fuck. Nobody's out here trying to prove this could harm somebody. Nobody's going to do any of that.
Is this the Seychelles?
If somebody got injured, maximum there would be a
Are
settlement
we in
outside
fucking
court.
Fiji?
Are we in-
Or Samoa maybe?
I feel like I'm in Nepal right now, man.
You guys are so out of touch, man.
We're out of touch.
Yeah.
Touch करा दे हमें बता.
So basically, क्या हुआ?
Pretty much.
I was like,
Pretty in
6
touch,
or-
buddy.
Don't touch me. I'll slap the shit out of
Pretty
you.
fucking in touch, buddy.
Racist.
I just don't like being touched, man. The fuck.
Ladies, take note.
No wonder you can't get a fucking girl. Don't like being touched.
Fair enough.
He wants you to wow him with your mind. The lack of it. Because
bad.
he likes the West Delhi girls. That's what he-
Too bad you can't reciprocate. तुम अपना
we all want what we don't have.
grass is always greener.
Don't confuse him with colors.
He'll be like, घास किसको चाटनी है?
घास तो सारी
घास
green
नहीं
होती
खाते,
है.
पर मीट खाते हैं सिर्फ.
हाँ.
घास किस या
तुझे घास की क्रेविंग होती है?
मेरा खाना घास खाता है.
तेरा खाना घास खाता है.
या चरता है ना, बकरी वगैरह चरते हैं.
Okay, yes.
या मेरा खाना भी घास खाता है ब्रो. लेकिन मेरा खाना सूरज भी खाता है. मेरा खाना बहुत कुछ खाता
मेरा खाना सूरज खाता है.
है. मेरा खाना बड़ी चीजें खाता है सिर्फ.
सूरज को बोल अपने प्लेट में गरम
मेरा
करे.
खाना तेरा खाना खाता है.
ओ मेरा खाना भी खाता है. मेरा खाना भैंक के लोड़े.
नहीं.
भोसड़ी वालों, तुम्हारे माँ बाप ने क्या खा के तुमको पैदा किया ये बताओ मुझे.
मैं 3 स्टोरी शुरू कर चुका और तीनों तुमने खत्म नहीं करने दी. तुम हरामजादी.
Storyteller
Let's
pro
make
man.
it 4, man. Let's get that number up.
मैं कर ही नहीं रहा.
Let's get going.
आग की स्टोरी की गांड मार दी, चांदनी की स्टोरी की गांड मार दी,
और
घनश्याम
आसमान
वाली स्टोरी, घनश्याम नहीं वो बस अड्डे की
घनश्याम?
स्टोरी. You have no stay in suspense. You don't even know who Ghanshyam is because I haven't got to it.
वो damn.
वही सेक्रेट गेम्स वाला घनश्याम यार.
नींद कैसे आएगी मुझे? हाँ.
हाँ.
अरे वो बाबा घनश्याम दास जी का क्रिकेट स्टेडियम है मेरे फार्म के बगल में.
होगा.
Oh, he's playing it cool.
I also knew a Ghanshyam once upon a time.
Clearly, you have a story about him.
Yes.
Yes.
घन का मतलब क्या होता है?
Someone almost died in that bus adda story, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Was it you?
Was it you setting
No.
fire to the bus?
Fuck.
No, they are mixing up 2 stories now.
I think.
चांदनी ने आग लगाई थी क्या बस को?
नहीं.
तीनों स्टोरी को मिक्स कर दिया.
Ghanshyam was the arsonist.
घनश्याम और चांदनी. अच्छा, anyway, sorry.
There is one Ghanshyam
Firstly,
story.
okay, no.
Ghanshyam Ashraf story.
Okay,
Then there is the
if we want to
Chandni
resume
story.
a story, which one would you like to start with?
I think the Ashraf one because we got the farthest on that one.
Okay, fine.
Okay, Ashraf.
So my
Can I bullet point it so far? You can fill in the gaps.
fine.
Okay. So you were supposed to go get Nanaji's films and shit for his reunion album for his from
Yeah.
Kanpur.
Reunion
Kanpur.
file.
You're a lazy bastard. You're like Ashraf Mia, we are friends. Please go.
Huh.
And he's like, okay, I clearly work for you, and this is the hierarchy
No,
in
he doesn't work
society.
for
So I
me.
shall.
He does not work for me.
Works
He
for your
works
grandfather.
For my nana.
Sure, which
And-
means he's under, which means you're under his thumb. Clearly, not the other way around. Okay. Anyway,
No, he's raised me, bro.
we'll debate.
So
this
anyway,
later.
so I wasn't ordering. I just told him कि like you know UP much better than I do. तो आप चले जाओ वहाँ कानपुर
he
तक.
knows the hood.
तो वो चले गया कानपुर. अरे नालायक कितने हैं वो जो वापस आए बिना जो फाइल के बिना ही वापस आ गए. ठीक है.
फाइल के बिना वापस है कि फाइल उन्होंने रास्ते में छोड़ दी?
फाइल उन्होंने बस में छोड़ दी.
Right on.
तो मैंने कहा अब नाना को क्या मुंह दिखाएंगे, चलो क्योंकि मेरा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी लाने की. तो हम चले गए बस अड्डे. अब बस अड्डे में कभी गया नहीं हूँ. मैं हूँगा शायद कितने साल का था मैं, 15-16 साल का हूँगा. तो पहुँच गए बस अड्डे उनकी साइकिल के पीछे बैठ के. तो वहाँ पे अंधेरा हो चुका था, मतलब इट वॉज लेट. सुबह के 2 बज चुके थे. तो सारे बस वाले सो गए थे. तो मैंने कहा फाइल तो अभी निकलेगी क्योंकि मैं ढीठ था. तो मैंने कहा चलो ढूंढने चलते हैं.
Something's never changed.
तो अब मैंने कहा वहाँ मैं लोगों को उठाने लगा, भाई कहाँ है बस वाले सारे, कहाँ छुपे बैठे हैं. तो उसने कहा कि इधर जैसे बिल्डिंग पे पॉइंट करा. तो फिर मैं क्या, ठीक है बिल्डिंग है कोई. तो हम अंदर घुस गए बिल्डिंग में. अपेरेंटली बिल्डिंग में इतने बड़े बड़े कमरे होते हैं, जायंट कमरे. उसमें सब ऐसे मतलब जमीन पे सो रहे होते हैं ऐसे 100-150 बस वाले. Okay,
Yes.
it's not like a hotel or something.
Oh wow.
You know, it's just a room.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
That's literally how the labor sleeps, man. They're
Yes.
on top
हाँ.
of each other.
And the
तो
prisoners.
मेरे को पता नहीं था कि ऐसे मतलब सभी. तो मैंने कहा कि कौन सी बस थी. तो बस तो मिल गई हमें. अब बस वाला नहीं मिल रहा. तो मैंने कहा बस
बंद थी
वाला.
क्या?
हाँ
बस बंद थी. Locked.
हाँ बस बंद थी. मतलब बस नहीं, हमें बस पता नहीं कहाँ थी, बट हमें बस का नंबर मतलब वो नंबर पता था.
तो भाई
बट वी डिडंट नो इतने सारे मतलब वहाँ हजारों बसें थी ब्रो.
तो तुम्हें बेसिकली यू थॉट इट्स बेटर फाइंड द ड्राइवर से अपने बस पे ले जा.
नहीं, ड्राइवर को ढूंढेंगे, ड्राइवर बस तक ले जाएगा और बस के अंदर से हम सामान निकालेंगे. खुद हम बस थोड़ी ढूंढ सकते हैं भाई हजारों बसों में.
क्यों?
तो हमें लगा इजियर होगा कि
पढ़ लिख नहीं सकते ना.
Make it in evening, man.
हमें नहीं, हमें लगा इजियर रहेगा एक कमरे में वहां जाओ
और wake up 150 angry bus वाला.
तो यही तो
And
हमने
find-
तो ये तो
So
सुन.
this is obviously the way to do it.
तो हमें पता नहीं था. मेरे को लगा यार एक बस वाला मतलब उसके रूम में नॉक करूंगा, वो खोल के आएगा बाहर. मेरे को ये नहीं पता
He
था कि
forgot
सारे एक ही
गरीबी.
रूम में.
He forgot गरीबी. Actually, he's like मेरी तरह बस वाले के पास बेडरूम अटैच बाथरूम है, उसका बालकनी है.
मेरे को लगा रिसेप्शन से चाबी लूंगा.
जाके सुट्टा मारता. He's got his own thing sorted out.
हाँ, तो मेरे को पता नहीं था. तो
कि गरीब लोग भी होते हैं बस
अभी मेरे को
चलाते.
पता नहीं था कि गरीब लोग रहते कैसे.
Actually
मतलब बस वाले
अंबानी का
रहते
बेटा बस चलाता है ना. That's why you have like this misconception.
It's you know it's when you hear about ये भिखारी actually drives the Mercedes.
Yeah.
It's that situation.
फुटपाथ
तो
पे
नहीं थे.
फुटपाथ पे सोता है
No,
लेकिन
I'm saying-
फरारी में घूमता है.
Yeah,
you know?
no, this bus driver actually fucking lives in his
No,
in the
because-
Ritz-Carlton. His room is in the. He's got a presidential suite at the Ritz-Carlton. This
नहीं,
bus
but
driver.
I thought that they would have their own room basically,
Right.
which is not the
At the
case.
Four Seasons.
Yeah. So तो वहां मैं गया तो
They booked the fifth one,
मैंने
actually.
कहा कि अब ये ड्राइवर का नाम हमें पता चला वहां से कि उसका नाम है घनश्याम.
Yeah.
तो मैंने अशरफ को बोला जाओ.
I wonder if he's the one who nearly died in this story.
No, somebody else did. तो
Oh
मैंने
my
अशरफ को
God.
बोला मैं बाहर खड़ा हूँ, जाओ घनश्याम को ढूंढ के लाओ. ठीक है. तो ये अंदर गए एंड देन ही वोक अप वन और टू पीपल. ठीक है, बड़े प्यार से कि यहाँ घनश्याम कौन है. यू कहते हैं हटो कौन आ गया है जो दिमाग खराब कर रहा है, सोने दो हमें. ठीक है, वो गाली खा रहा है अशरफ. ठीक है.
Facts.
ठीक है. एंड उस टाइम आई वाज वेरी हॉट हेडेड, वेरी ढीट, वेरी हॉट हेडेड. And I was just very, I was a kid. I was 15 years old. And so basically,
नहीं इधर आओ. मैं
I'm listening.
तुम लोग बात करो यार.
yeah. So basically, after that, I got pissed off. कि यार इतनी देर लगा दी तुमने वो भी छोड़ दिया और तुमको घनश्याम भी नहीं मिल रहा. और मतलब ये ऐसे
काय मैन तो गंजा.
तो मैं बाहर खड़ा हुआ. मैंने कहा घनश्याम कौन है घनश्याम?
No way. मतलब you're like अब सबसे पंगा लेंगे.
Yes, मैंने पूरे कमरे को उठा दिया. कौन है घनश्याम?
On brand classic Rishu move. Yes. Okay.
Yes, very classic.
Of course.
Very classic. Now I'm not like that.
These are the formative. These are the moves. This is your stepping up. Yes, sure.
This is when I started to realize how बदतमीज है. घनश्याम अंदर से गालियां. अबे कौन कमबख्त चीखे जा रहा है, बंद कर, अबे सोने दे.
गंजा में सही कमबख्त.
नहीं,
सब-
अंदर से
सब-
और
सब अंदर
मैंने
गए
पूरे
थे.
कमरे को उठा दिया ना
हाँ.
घनश्याम के चक्कर में. अबे
Of
कौन
course.
कमबख्त चीख रहा है, आवाज आ रही है अंदर से. मैं कहा घनश्याम को लाओ.
So basically what you missed is, that great idea that we had कि सबसे जाके that's exactly what he did on purpose. He couldn't find it, so he stood in the room and yelled for everyone, Ghansham! Like he just went for it. Like 150 बस वालों को उठा देते हैं. This is the plan.
Entitled था.
इनकी नींद के प्यारे, इनको आ गया 12 घंटे बस ही तो चलानी है. बहनचोद.
And the
मेरे नाना की फाइल था कि उनको ना लगे कि मैं छूतिया हूँ.
and the best
My self-respect at 16 for having achieved nothing.
15.
For fuck all.
And
I was
the
very
best
entitled.
For dog shit.
the best thing that I love is that he had the brain to take time, sit, think about it, and decide this is the best course of action.
No, it really was. मैं गुस्सा
You're
हुआ
making a
था.
lot of assumptions here.
I
That he sat and think about it.
thank about it.
Thank about
Thank
You should thank about what you just
No,
think.
that's
Thank you.
Hold on a second.
Thank you.
Hold on. What is
Thank about
the past tense of think? It's thank.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Very good. Now English में कोई संभालने दे, हिंदी में मुझे
तू
संभालना.
अभी कह रहा था ना इंग्लिश संभाल सकता है. अभी कह रहा था तू.
What else is the past tense, guys? Come on. Man.
Thought, you dumb fuck.
Woo, shit, woo. I've been schooled.
Is he a thought or a
I've
dumb
been-
fuck?
I'm a thought. You're a thought, bro.
I am a thought.
You are the thought.
Thank God I've graduated from dumb fuck.
Also, you have mentioned on this podcast that you're seeing all these 3, 4.
They know.
They
They
know.
all know, bro.
Should I
It's
show you
not-
the
it's-
chats where one is asking me how's your date with the other one gone?
bro. गाली खाएगा बस.
When you're poly, it's not
Yeah,
a secret.
it's I'm not hiding anything. I'm being honest. I'm living an honest
fine.
life.
Yeah.
You can be promiscuous and not lie, guys. Stop cheating on your women.
Yeah.
Let
them know you're cheating.
Let them know.
Yeah.
It's not that.
Let them know their pussy is not good enough.
Anyway, so
They need
That's not
they
true.
need more.
They're
तो
all
मैंने-
splendid.
तो मैंने-
Not good enough, but it's good. It's not good enough.
They're all different. They're all beautiful. They're all great.
Just let her know. Her
okay,
titties
good
ain't
for you
cut
guys, man. Shut up now.
Her titties ain't cut net. It would have been good if she had 3 more. Or
Yes, multiple titties. Yeah,
Yeah.
2 is a bit limiting.
yeah,
okay?
give me 5 or 6 or whatever.
What? 5 or 6? What?
Titties on the same broad.
Huh?
So that you don't have to cheat because there's like 6
3
titties.
तो आते हैं, I think. और
3 तो आते हैं.
Hold on.
Buy
in
2
nature-
get 1. Buy 2 get 1.
occurring in nature, I mean.
कहाँ आते हैं? Seriously?
Yes, some people have 3 tits, bro. Some people have 1. Uniboob भी होता है.
हाँ.
Oh.
Acha, that way, as in like an abnormality or something.
Yeah.
Sure. I thought he's like, I mean, how many women have you seen naked?
It's like 3 तो आते हैं.
3 तो आते ही है.
He's been reading a lot of hentai and he thinks that that's reality.
This is a hint. I think 3 तो आते ही है.
I don't know. I'm seriously, I've never. Yeah.
Okay.
Dude,
You don't talk animation at
I
all.
don't
Okay,
know. He
please,
knows the
please,
animation. No? He loves anime and
hentai.
fucking cartoons and shit.
I like a few animes, yeah.
You like some? Yeah, you like a bunch of fucking. What Peppa Pig? You like?
Guys, please comment and let us know what 3-titted animes are out there that you should.
What do you like? You like Peppa Pig? You like Bob the Builder? What kind of animes you like?
Boba Builder?
Boba Builder.
Yeah, you built the third one.
Right, exactly.
Right?
Boba the Builder. What's your favorite cartoon? Sorry, animation. Anime. Naughty.
Kimitsu no Yaiba?
Bless you.
Nay, I don't know.
I like Beyblade.
In college, I used to
Yeah,
watch...
I love babes and getting laid. So
In
that
college, I used
Beyblade
to
is my
watch,
thing as well. Yeah.
I like to
Oh,
get
no.
Beyblade.
It has to be Dragon Ball.
Imagine
Z.
Doodlade, huh?
Dragon
Same,
Ball Z
same,
had the
actually same.
most
It's the best.
impact on me.
Same.
Dude, I used to do those fucking moves, bro.
Yeah, Masenko, Kamehameha. Are you
Who's your
still
favorite character?
It used to be Gohan, then his fucking.
Yuck,
foot and-
bro.
No, but then when he quit and became a nerd, I hated him after that.
Yeah.
But as kid, it was like, bro,
Gohan was
Gohan
cool.
is the shit.
Yeah, Cell
But-
Saga, he was pretty cool.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking.
You know
That
who
was-
mine is?
Who? Vegeta.
Vegeta.
Yeah, I love Vegeta.
Vegeta's sick,
Goku
bro.
is irritating. You like him
No,
as a kid?
Goku is not... Yeah, he's not favorite character energy, bro. He's main character.
Vegeta, bro. Vegeta.
Vegeta
Vegeta's
thought you were
sick.
an all-meat dad, bro. What happened?
Vegeta voice also.
No,
used to
Vegeta
be-
and I have the same hairline, you know? He has a widow's peak like
he
this.
has, yeah, that's true.
He has a widow's peak like so, and that was another thing that I was like, bro, iske baal to mere jaise hain.
Yeah.
Bro, so I play the latest games. I've watched Super also full. I
Super even I've seen.
Fusion
But
dance. I
didn't
know
really-
the
Dragon
fusion-
Ball Z is what is classic for
Do you know
me.
the fusion dance?
I mean, I don't know it, but it's like...
I know it perfectly.
You know the whole thing. तूने रट्टा मारा था.
Perfectly.
So I never... I mean, I know kind of the gist
Do
of
it.
it.
Even to this
do
day,
it,
I can do
do
it.
I know the
it.
gist of it.
I can do it if he says it has takes 2 people.
I know the gist of it. I know एक टांग ऊपर करके यूं होता है.
I can show you.
ठू करके फिर यूं.
You wanna see? You wanna try?
do it?
कर ले भाई. करके दिखा.
मत दिखा बैठ जा. भोसड़ी के.
I did that, you know, like very recently I said, moving it out of the path of danger. I did that, and then this guy.
Fusion.
और बहन के लोड़ा तू मत लगा अपने हाथ
Fuck your fusion dance.
वाला.
Fuck your fusion
I
dance.
feel like now you have to do it.
Okay, you want me to help you?
वाला, bro.
Yeah.
That's fucking broken glass. Where am I in my underwear, man?
Sorry, on your arm. No, it's off.
Fucking piece of shit.
Piece of glass, but okay. It's impactful, bro.
चूतियों की तरह माइक हाथ में लेके पूरे स्टैंड के साथ गधे के ये माइक को निकाल ले इसमें से.
Anyway, can we end the podcast now?
Yeah,
With the fusion dance.
With the dance? Okay, if I can do the dance.
So opposite.
'Cause then I'll get up at the end.
First here. You. Jan.
Oh.
No.
Ha!
Jan. No, this cross.
Yes, I know.
Jan. Ha.
Yeah, so I
Y'all
kind of
gay.
knew it. I kind of knew it.